All right, welcome into another live stream. Biggest week ever for Shiba Inu. I figured I'd just go live instead of putting out an early video this morning. Let's get right into it. The entire market is down right now. Look at Ethereum, down below 2K. We've got a lot of things on sale. Cardano, the entire market on sale. This huge week, though, for Shiba Inu. We're going to get all the way into it here. So welcome into another live stream, everybody. Hello, Sarwan. How we doing? What's up, guys? What's up? Early morning live stream. I think it's the biggest week ever for Shiba Inu, so why not? Let's just go live. Let's start off the week on the right foot. What's up, guys? What's up, everybody? Stone, how we doing? Lyrics, Cookie Chunk, how we doing? All right, so here's SHIB right now sitting at 31. It's slightly up still on the week. You know, it is down a little bit less than some of the other assets right now, but so many things on the horizon, right? Coinbase Pro, we've got Coinbase, eToro, Certic, the Ask Me Anything event. XR Red, I'm going through right now why I believe it's the biggest week yet in the history of Shiba Inu. Coinbase Pro lingering. Of course, we know what comes after Coinbase Pro. It's Coinbase. eToro potentially could be listing today. They're adding some assets. We're going to get into that. Okay, here's eToro. This is what we've got right now. We know that they're adding something here. Okay, we don't know what. Here you go. New crypto assets are coming. Could it be Shiba Inu today? Their CEO has said that he's a huge fan of Dogecoin, huge fan of the Shiba Inu army as well. So could be. Certic, Ask Me Anything event coming up on Tuesday. We do believe it'll be about Shiba Inu and ShibaSwap. Well, there's another one, ShibaSwap. We're waiting on that news. Popular press articles being written like crazy right now, whether it's on Yahoo Finance. And guys, I really appreciate if you like the stream on your way in. That helps us out. How's everybody doing? Popular press articles, whether it's Yahoo Finance, Barron's right now. A lot of people talking about Shiba Inu as it relates to this entire push toward community-based coins, right? The game is changing, and Shiba Inu is right at the forefront of these changes. All right, so, and then we've got Voyager. Okay, Voyager just added Shiba Inu last week, and Friday they had their CEO was on CNBC saying that Shiba Inu was the most popular traded asset on the platform day one. Day one on the platform, most popular traded asset, and he's on CNBC on the news channel talking about Shiba Inu. So again, working into that popular press narrative. We've got Robinhood lingering, and I say lingering because I do believe it'll happen eventually once it goes to Coinbase Pro, once Shiba Inu's there on Coinbase. Once it's on some of these larger exchanges like eToro, like Coinbase Pro, I do believe Robinhood will add this asset. It only makes sense for them to add this. Number one, it just fits their narrative. It fits their kind of approach, right? It just, think about how all the people who hold Dogecoin over there on Robinhood. I think Robinhood is going to look and see how big this army is getting, just how popular this asset is when it gets to Coinbase, when it gets to eToro. Look how popular it already is on Voyager, and they're not going to want to miss out. They're not going to want to miss out on that opportunity, and they're going to want to capture some of that audience as well. So I do believe this is the biggest week yet. I said back in early June that I thought ShibaSwap would come out this month. I still believe that. I know it's taken a little bit longer. We do have all these indications that it is going to be rolled out soon. I still believe it'll be rolled out this month. Again, that's just coming from all of all the information we have. Of course, we're still speculating with that, but I cannot see this going too much into July if it does go into July in terms of the complete rollout. Okay. Of course, we've got the Certic Ask Me Anything or Q&A event, whatever you want to call it, on Tuesday. I think that's going to be enormous, and I think it's going to be about Shiba Inu. Okay, what's up, everybody? Giovanni, how we doing? Eric, what's going on? What's going on? Cookie Chunk, what's happening? What's happening? What's up, everybody? What's up? Worth 80K at one point, now only 15, 16K. Razer, what's up? All right, so we're still awaiting this news. I want to pop over to Shitoshi. He had some, running comments, early morning thoughts, if you will, or late night thoughts, depending on how you want to look at it. So he's just kind of talking about the community, how it drives SHIB, not him. You want to make something SHIB, do it. But if you want to utilize our upcoming infrastructure, let me know. Moreover, let's talk about TikTok. So let me just say this. There is somebody who's fighting on my behalf of becoming the TikToker of the SHIB army. And listen, I appreciate that, but I've kind of stayed out of this. I'm okay with not being the main TikToker. I'm here for the community. I'm here just doing my part. Shitoshi actually commented back to me and to some others who were fighting for me to become the TikToker, and I didn't comment. I refrained from doing that because it's not about me. It's about the community. It's about this type of thing that we're trying to build together. Okay, so I just want to put that out there. I know some of you people who follow the stream, follow the channel, may have seen that. I'm not looking for any kind of special treatment or anything. I threw my name in the hat to help out with the TikTok. They selected another person, and I'm totally fine with that. I'll still continue to produce content, help out where I see fit. But I think he was talking about, some things that were said in a running stream, okay? And I could kind of show you what happened here. But he does talk about, many accounts are really Shibians. They push whatever, okay? And instead of listening to me, I caught flack. It's fine. I think he's referring to somebody who was actually in my notifications. And I'll show you guys this too in just a second. But I just want to put this out there. This is not why I'm doing it. I'm doing it because I'm a holder. I believe in the projects. I love crypto, and I'm here for the community. That's why I'm here. Okay. All right. Buy, hold, and forget. Yeah. What's up, JP? What's going on, guys? Roger, Robert Brewer. What's up? Waiting on the bombshells to drop. Yeah, I know, Tori. Yeah, we've been talking about it over on the Discord, guys. Tori is part of the Discord. I think I saw Robert in here. Robert's a part of the Discord. If you guys do want to come over and join the private community. Here's the Patreon. This will be linked in the description down there. We've got the supporter level, insider level. I'll tell you this, I went shopping this morning. I think everybody in the Discord, everybody in the Patreon got some early morning alerts from me because this entire market is down right now. So I did go shop, and I added a few things. And I might not be done yet. I might be adding some more because it's a really good time to hop into these to some of these assets. Look at Ethereum down below 2,000, right? So keep in mind, guys, too, SHIB really does run off of Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Dogecoin was built to be kind of the meme to Bitcoin. SHIB, the same thing to Ethereum. So just keep in mind that these two assets, as they go, so does a lot of the altcoins. So we do need these to come back around. Now we have seen SHIB be able to run solo, right? Run by itself, and I think that's still possible, of course, with all these positive assets. But we'd like the entire market to turn around because then we've got the market going up as a whole, and then we also have these positive catalysts specifically for Shiba Inu, right? Good morning, Gary. How are you doing? Day Silva, what's up? No news from eToro yet. Nothing yet, but we're going to watch it closely here on the live stream. We're going to be on here for a little while. I figured the best way to kind of go about it this morning was just hop on live instead of the morning update, because I do believe this is the biggest week yet for Shiba Inu, okay? So I wanted to just hop on here and go live with all of you and just hang out with you guys for a little while, a couple hours. Good morning, kid. What's up? Robert says, yep, yeah, we went shopping. We went shopping this morning. Dennis, what's up? Gary, how we doing, man? Chris, how we doing? Yeah, I think a lot of people over in the Discord today, we were going shopping. We were dropping a lot of things in there that we liked. That is for sure. All right, let me kind of just show you this. I'll give you kind of a brief overview here. Oh, that's pretty sweet. What's this? What is this? Okay. Nice. Thanks to Shibanator. Doing well, guys? Good, good, good. All right, so where was this at? Okay, this is kind of what happened. So somebody, again, and I appreciate the guys, the support and everything, but, I don't want to be pegged as somebody who's starting any mess, right? So SHIB Army News, I know you've been doing a lot to kind of help push my channel, push the TikTok. I appreciate you. But Shitoshi then kind of replies to all of us. I'm okay not being the head TikToker, guys, okay? I'm okay. All right. Just wanted to put that out there. Coinbase Pro is still lingering, guys. This is the big one, right? We're still waiting on this. They've been super, super quiet. They haven't tweeted now for, over 3 days. So we're still awaiting, some news here. This is big, obviously. This is, I think, the biggest catalyst, Coinbase Pro, which I think then eventually turns into Coinbase, much like it happened with DOGECOIN, right? And I think this is number one. And then I think eToro right now is number two in terms of catalyst. ShibaSwap's still there too. ShibaSwap can, become, the main headline here at any time once it does become, official. So SHIB token also, they've got some things going on. So we did see here that there's a new YouTube video out. Of course, this is SHIB Analyst. He does some great work on YouTube. So make sure you guys go check out this new video that is up there. I'm excited for more tutorials and to see the community reaction. Remember, we talked about this. I did believe, back then when we saw that first video, what was it, this past Saturday, a little bit further than a week ago, I did believe we're going to see, slowly more and more videos rolled out, showcasing different things along with, I think this one goes into how to dig and woof, how the dig and woof works. So I did think that this was going to happen, and I like that we're getting these mini tutorials on various aspects of ShibaSwap and the entire ecosystem, how it works. So make sure you guys go check that out. And then also, SHIB also put out something. I just want to reiterate this again because there are a lot of scammers out there because of all these positive catalysts right now working for Shiba Inu. There are a lot of people trying to take advantage of you, okay? So if you see anything ShibaSwap related that's not coming from an official source, it's fake, okay? And ShibaSwap is not a token you can buy. A lot of people have been coming out with the ShibaSwap token, trying to capture people that way. ShibaSwap is just the DEX. It's just the decentralized exchange. You can only purchase Leash as well as Shiba Inu tokens. You cannot purchase Bone either. Okay, that's another one. Bone will be something that you'll earn through the ecosystem, right? Our Bone token cannot be bought because it's not minted yet. So don't let any scammers get a hold of you here with any of this stuff. So we did talk about Voyager. This was another positive catalyst, right? SHIB is now available for buying, and they blew up on Voyager. It'll be interesting to see what happens today because this news came out the 17th, which was, what, Thursday? Yeah, then on Friday, we saw on Friday, it was the largest, most traded asset on Friday, a day after the listing on Voyager, which is huge. All right. So if you guys can like up the stream on your way in, that really helps us out. Would appreciate it. Glad you're hanging out with us here on a Monday morning. We do, this is, the thumbnail says it. I think this is the biggest week ever to this point for Shiba Inu. I really do. I think with all these positive catalysts lingering, it'd be really disappointing if we didn't hear anything on the Coinbase front, if we didn't hear anything about ShibaSwap, right? It would be very disappointing. I think all these things are lingering, and we want more information. We want more insight, and hopefully I think we get that. So what's up, everybody? Malin, how we doing? Adam De Silva, how we doing? Robinhood petition is at 162,000 plus. Nice. That's beautiful. Eduardo Rooster, technical difficulties. Yeah, that is what we've got from Robinhood, or I'm sorry, from Coinbase. Technical difficulties. Yeah. So, what those technical difficulties are, we don't know, but we do think it's probably a good reason why they put this off, right? Morning, Oswaldo. How we doing? Harshit, how we doing? Why the biggest week? I'll run through them again. There's so many positive catalysts. And guys, I created a video about this. A lot of these reasons I'm just going to reiterate here. Coinbase Pro, which eventually leads to Coinbase. eToro is lingering. One of a huge exchange. eToro's got 20 million users. It's huge. Okay? 20 million users. eToro, their CEO, has come out and said some nice things about SHIB back in May. Now they're adding assets. What do you think they could be adding? I think, if they're adding multiple assets, I do believe Shiba Inu is going to be one of those. Now we'll see. They're supposed to come out with that news today. We haven't heard anything on that front, okay, just yet. But, we do believe that it could be Shiba Inu is included in one of those. We'll pull up their Twitter again here. All right, so that's another one. Coinbase Pro, Coinbase, eToro, Certic. Ask Me Anything event coming up from Certix. I think it's their Q&A on their Twitter page. We do believe they're going to do an Ask Me Anything about ShibaSwap, Shiba Inu. That's coming up on Tuesday. All right, so we've got Coinbase Pro, which we think is going to happen this week. eToro, which could be happening today. Okay, here's the tweet. Here's the tweet. New crypto assets are coming. That was Friday. We think they're going to come today. We think Shiba Inu could be one of those. Certic, happening on Tuesday. We do believe they're going to talk about ShibaSwap, Shiba Inu. All right, ShibaSwap. We have to think it's coming soon, right? We're getting all of these indications, all of these tutorial videos. How long are the audits going to last? I mean, I think there's a really good chance it could roll out sometime this week. This is why it's the biggest week yet for Shiba Inu, in my opinion. Popular press articles. We're continuing to see more and more popular press articles from Yahoo Finance. CNBC just covered Shiba Inu and Voyager together last Friday. All right, do we see more of that when they roll out on a Coinbase? Do we see more of that when they roll out on an eToro? I think so. I think we'll pick up more popular press, whether it be from print or TV. I think it's great. Okay, that's another reason. Voyager just adding the asset. It was the most traded asset on Friday. I think that trend continues this week. There are a lot of people who've been in on these live streams who have dropped some comments on some of my former videos that have said, hey, Voyager's going to take 2 to 3 days for me to get my funds. Voyager's going to take a week for me to get, my money in here to be able to trade. So I think as people are having more and more access to Voyager throughout this week, I think you'll start to see Shiba Inu continue to be a dominant player on the Voyager app throughout the entire week. All right, so these are just a few reasons why I think it's the biggest week yet for Shiba Inu. I really do. So I think, along with, one more really speculative one would be Robinhood. I do think at any time we could get a bombshell, in the form of Robinhood coming out and saying, hey, we're adding Shiba Inu. I think that's possible. I mean, they already know what Voyager's doing. Voyager just added it. They know what Coinbase is in the process of doing. They know what eToro could potentially be doing, right? They're not going to want to miss out on this party. They're not going to want to miss out on the money, okay? And they'll make a lot of money, they know, if they add this asset, all right? So that's just, I'm laying it out there. I'm not holding any punches, guys. That's the way I see it. That's why I believe it's the biggest week yet for Shiba Inu. I want to see some things rolled out. I want to see ShibaSwap. I want to see eToro add this. I want to see it on Coinbase. I want to hear from Coinbase Pro. I really hope we hear something today from Coinbase Pro. They've been really, really quiet here. They haven't tweeted since the 17th. Okay, so I want some information. I want some news, and I'm sure all of you do too. So I do believe it's the biggest week yet for Shiba Inu. Zach, you mean the worst week ever? It's down today. Well, I mean, the entire market is down, yes, David, but that doesn't mean I'm talking about one asset. And here's the thing. I'm not saying the biggest week yet for Shiba Inu has to see the price skyrocket. I just think there are a lot of catalysts here, a lot of information lingering, and I want answers. And I think a lot of other holders want answers too. Okay? A lot of other people in the community want answers. All crypto will feel the effects on that. What's up, Steven? Yeah, they closed the Bitcoin plant. I did, yeah, a Bitcoin mining plant. I did hear that, Steven. eToro update, new coin listed, Zach. Yeah, I mean, hopefully we get that news, Min. We haven't got anything related to it just yet. We'll see what this notification is. Nice. Okay, let's pop back over here. Yeah, but I mean, new crypto assets are coming. We don't know which ones they are. Could it be SHIB? Like this, this was something I put on there, but a lot of people look at the comments here. A lot of people asking, could it be Port Rocket, SHIB? Most of the people in here are SHIB Army. Okay, so I don't know what eToro is doing here. They said they're adding some assets very soon. So this was Friday. I think this could be happening this week, right? Why put this out here? So we'll see. All right. Guys, like up the stream. That would be huge. Also, let me know where you're from in the chat. Light up the chat. Let me know where you're from. Also, how much SHIB you're holding. Okay, I want to see how much SHIB you're holding, where you're from. I'd love to hear that news and information from all of you guys. And then like up the stream for us. Let's get a bunch of people from the community in here and hang out as we get ready for, if not the biggest week, I think one of the biggest weeks. We'll say that, one of the biggest weeks for Shiba Inu. Good morning, John. How we doing? Shiba Inu, bro, answer. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get to as many things in the chat as I can. If I stake my tokens, will its value stay the same even if Shiba goes up? Yeah, if you stake your tokens, you'll actually probably earn APY. You'll actually earn a small percentage. Actually, I had somebody in the Discord tell me today you can stake over on Crypto.com, so that's where I'm holding most of my assets, and I might be staking over there by the end of the day. And if you're going to stake, what are you really doing? You're basically, you're betting on something for the long term. All right, when you're staking something, they're going to pay you to hold the asset there. Now, once you stake, you can't sell it, okay, for a particular time period. All right, sorry guys, I'm trying to get to everything in the chat. So Shiba Inu, I apologize. Don't come at me like that, bro. Nick Burns, what's up, Alan? How we doing? Okay, you can stake on KuCoin as well. There you go. Nice. Livingston, Texas. Nice, Gary. What's up, man? Welcome in, Gary, Marius, Tori, Steven. How we doing? Love from India. Nice. What's up, Eric? How we doing? Awesome, guys. Awesome. Welcome in. Yeah. Giovanni says, I'm bullish on Shiba. I watched Mr. Bonds talking about Shiba Inu, and he did the mathematics on Shiba hitting 1 cent. Was he wrong? If so, what was he missing? Listen, there's a lot of different videos out there of people crunching the numbers, but here's the thing. You only have what you have today in terms of the circulating supply, but things can change, right? Tokens could be burned eventually, right? The dynamics could change in terms of the circulating supply. So sure, you can calculate what it would be today and if it's possible, all that sort of thing. But what that's going to look like, speaking of the circulating supply, what that's going to look like next year, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, we don't know. We don't know. All right, so it's only what you have right now when you're speculating. Okay. Giovanna, how we doing? Jeremy holding 87 mil. Nice. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Is it the biggest week yet for Shiba Inu? I think so. I think it's the biggest week. Cookie Chunk, Zach, please explain dollar cost averaging. Sure. So dollar cost averaging, guys, is just no matter what the price, you're putting a certain amount of money in, each and every day, each and every week. So a lot of people do this with Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? They'll say, okay, every Friday, and you could set this up on most exchanges, every Friday I'm going to put $100 into Ethereum. So every Friday at noon, $100 goes into Ethereum regardless of the price, regardless of it's 4,000 per Ethereum token or 1,000 per Ethereum token. So what dollar cost averaging really does for you, it allows you to kind of passively invest where you don't have to be an active investor. You don't have to look at it every single day and try to time the market. So a lot of people do like to dollar cost average into various assets. And I actually do dollar cost average into Bitcoin just because I don't want to sit there and follow Bitcoin all the time. I put a small amount each and every month into Bitcoin. So that's dollar cost averaging. It's a popular strategy. It takes the emotional strain out of things, right? You don't have to sit there and watch the markets and watch for the dips, right? But that could be fun too. A lot of people do like that. So it's up to you. So some people, that's kind of why they do it, because they get the opportunity to really watch the assets really closely. So let's take a look at the entire market here. Still down below 2,000 in Ethereum. Welcome in everybody that's new. Make sure you like, subscribe. We'd love to have you join the community if you're new here. We're always looking to add more and more people to our community here. And yeah, we'd love to have you. So Zach, eToro US, please. Yeah, I know, right? eToro US would be nice. We can actually look at eToro US. eToro US over here. Let's see if they're actually saying anything. Let's follow them too, guys. Welcome in. we're talking about all the positive catalysts that we're waiting on this week. Coinbase Pro, Coinbase. I just want to recap these because I know a lot of people stopping in for the first time. We've got eToro lingering out there. They're adding new assets. We think Shiba Inu could be one of them. Certic, Ask Me Anything event coming up on Tuesday. ShibaSwap, when's it coming? It's got to be soon, right? All these audits, all these tests. I mean, I would think this week, right? If we don't hear anything this week, people are going to be like, hey, what's going on here, right? I think we want that information. Popular press articles. CNBC was covering Shiba Inu. We've got Voyager just adding it. So many things happening right now. We do believe, I mean, this is the biggest week, in my opinion. Biggest week for Shiba Inu. The most positive catalyst going on right now. All right, so here we go. We've got new coins now available for trading on eToro. This is eToro US. We've got Algorand, Polygon, and Basic Attention Token. So no Shiba Inu added on this list. Now, we don't know if there's going to be more. De Silva, appreciate it. It's there. Scroll down. Gotcha. I got you, brother. I found it. Okay. So we do have some information. Just want to make sure we're not missing anything else. All right. So here are the tokens being added on eToro, at least eToro US. Algorand, Polygon, one of my favorites, guys. And Basic Attention Token now available on eToro US. Now, could there be more being rolled out? We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So there are 3 being rolled out. Now let's go back over to regular eToro to see if they're tweeting about anything. All right, let's go over there and see. Yeah, De Silva, a little bit of a bummer. We did think Shiba Inu would be one of these. It's looking like the new asset. So building off of this tweet, I'm going to write these down, guys. So it's Algorand. As of right now, Algorand, Matic, and Basic Attention Token are the ones being added to eToro US. Algorand, Matic, Polygon, and Basic Attention Token. Now, we don't know. Will there be another 3 assets here rolled out? We could have another 3 come out here soon. So we'll have to see. So we'll see what's going on with that. All right, some notifications here. Just want to check these. Welcome in, everybody. Very nice. Check this, bro. eToro US. Gotcha, Min. Appreciate that. Appreciate it. Big mistake, eToro, for not listing SHIB. You're missing out on a massive army. And again, maybe they're not done. Maybe eToro US is not done listing. Maybe they come out with another 3 assets today that they're listing. Who knows? We'll have to see. So, but as of right now, eToro US, SHIB is not one of the 3 here early Monday morning. Algorand, Matic, and Basic Attention Token are the 3 assets being added to eToro US, at least right now. Morning, Crypto Night. Morning, everybody. I'm sad but confident. Yeah, De Silva, that's only one reason, or one positive catalyst that we had talked about that could be, here's the thing. The SHIB army will be heard, right? The louder we are, the more we talk to eToro, the more we, reach their dev team, I think they'll listen. So I don't think this is over. I think there are more assets. All these exchanges are always looking to add more and more assets, okay? So, but as of right now, those are the 3 we have being added to eToro US. We'll continue to watch both of those. We'll continue to watch all 3 of those really closely. eToro US, Coinbase, and eToro. Let's pull up eToro US just to have that over here as well to see if they add on anything else other than these 3. But guys, this is what we have right now. Algorand, Polygon, and Basic Attention Token just coming out 14 minutes ago. So that's what we've got. All right. Who would invest in Basic Attention Token? Yeah, Dennis. A lot of people actually do look at BAT. I mean, I haven't invested in it, but Crypto.com returns of SHIB are crazy low. I hear you, Dustin. But you can stake over there, right? It is possible. Astronomy Live, appreciate it. Good show, brother. Thanks, man. Guys, if you're enjoying this, best way to contribute to the channel, like, subscribe. And of course, if you want to join our private community, we'd love to have you over at the Patreon. Link is in the description. You got the supporter level, insider level, buy and sell trade alerts with the $20 per month. And I'll tell you this, there were some buy and sell trade alerts happening this morning, early this morning. I was letting all the insiders know what I was jumping on. So we're up to 14 members now on the Patreon, on the Discord, really building out a nice community together. Eventually, we're going to build out a nice portfolio for our insider members as well. So if that's something that interests you, come on over and join us. we'd love to have you over there. But right here, right now, just like up the stream for us. Let's get more members of the SHIB Army in here and talk about all these positive catalysts and talk about a big week ahead here for Shiba Inu, right? So I think I'm going to hang out for a while, guys. I've got my bunch of waters here early morning on Monday. Figure this is the best way to get things rocking. So instead of a morning video, we're doing a morning live stream. Vanessa, how we doing? Still happy for Algorand. I love that project too. Yeah, I used to have some Algorand. I like Algorand as well. Definitely. Stone, sorry, did I miss something? Stone said check his message. BTC down in Binance, keeping me in the green, trading it. Check it out, Zach. BTC down on Binance, keeping me in the green, trading it. Is BTC, wait, is that 2 words? BTC being down, Stone? Give me some more insight there. BTC is definitely down. I mean, we're down price-wise. It's down to 32.5. Ethereum below 2K, guys. I love this. I love Ethereum below 2K. Cardano, I mean, this is on sale. XRP, this is on sale. Look at Dogecoin, 22 cents, guys. This is on sale. Okay. Thanks so much for the super chat. Harshit, appreciate it. How much it can reach soon with this catalyst? You know, in the short term, I'd like to see us probably get up to that 20 level eventually. We've got some resistance, you know, at the 10 level. We saw it get to the 10 level on that most recent pump and then come back down. So I'd like to break through that, stay in the double digits, if you will, in that range. So, but I'm a long-term holder with this, Harshit, and everybody else out there. So I'm not too overly concerned with the day-to-day price action, right? But I do believe as of right now, you know, in the short history that we have with Shiba Inu, I think this is setting up to be the biggest week in its history right now because of all these catalysts lingering. Now the market is way, way down, so let's get back to this. A lot of things on sale, guys. Chainlink under 20. Polygon at 123. Look at Theta. I've said that I want to get Theta when it hits in the 7s. Well, guess where it is. I'm making a note of it. Theta down below $8 here. A lot of things on sale. VeChain at 8 cents. My, oh my. I mean, there are just so many things to love here. Theta Fuel down to 51 cents. SHIB right now at 67.98. So that's where we're sitting with SHIB right now. We'll pull this up in a little bit. We'll go over the chart at some point throughout the live stream. Buy Theta and T-Fuel. I hear you, bully. Bullies. Yes. Theta is set to launch. Yes. Theta, this is a great price on Theta, okay? I'm giving you a free one here. This is a great price on Theta, okay? It's by far the #1 market cap in the NFT space. It's big. And it's by and large the biggest market cap, not even close. Username, we are heavy into Theta. Nice. Why is Doge down? You know, the entire market's down, right? So that's #1. Doge is down because Bitcoin and Ethereum are down, and so are all these altcoins, right? They're all down because of the big ones here. You know, you got to look up here. Look at the dominance of the markets, okay? BTC makes up 45%, ETH 17%, all right? So that's a big chunk of the overall market. So when these two big players, you know, you're looking at 610 billion, 229 billion. They almost combined to make $1 trillion, all right? The overall market cap is what? 1.35 trillion. So here you go. What's 45 plus 17? I was never great at math. 45 plus 20 is 65. 62. So 62% of the entire market is made up of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay? So that's really big, right? And usually Bitcoin is actually much higher than this, right? When it was up at 64, it was double this in price not too long ago. This was over 1 trillion in market cap. Okay? So keep that in mind, guys. As Bitcoin and Ethereum go, the market does tend to follow. It makes up, you know, it's the dominant, you know, portion of the market. Okay, these two. Eamon, what's up, man? Appreciate you stopping in. And we got a couple mods here. Zach, if BTC is down 1%, BTC down / USDC is up 3%. Check it out. My message above explains it. Gotcha. Appreciate that, Stone. Guys, our moderators here in chat, they're super knowledgeable. Stone, Eamon, everybody, everybody in this community is super knowledgeable. There's a lot of people in here who I learn from each and every day. So make sure you're paying attention to the live chat. There's a lot of great conversations happening. And appreciate everybody hanging out this morning. This is super cool. So what else do we got? Marius, so I have a question. My best friend is all about USD coin. What do you think about it? USDC is a stable coin, right? USDC right here. I like stable coins. It's a good place to kind of park your money before you go and before you go shopping, right? Before you go and get other things you like. Now, there's a lot of different ways you can go about it, right? There's a lot of stable coins. You've got your Binance USD. You've got DOGECOIN. This is the one I use. Okay, so I do use the DOGECOIN. I like the DOGECOIN because it's an Ethereum-based token. All right, so here you go. DAI is an Ethereum-based stablecoin whose issuance and development is managed by the Maker protocol. So I'm a huge Ethereum bull, so I like this one. It's just the one that I've used, and quite frankly, it's the one that Mark Cuban uses. So take that for what it's worth. The DOGECOIN is the one Mark Cuban uses in the stablecoin market. So once I heard that, I was like, okay, it's an Ethereum-based stablecoin. I'll use the DOGECOIN. That's cool. So yes, it is linked with Maker. Yes, the price of DAI is soft pegged to the U.S. dollar, is collateralized by a mix of other cryptos that are deposited into smart contract vaults every time new DAI is minted, and you do earn 2% just by holding your money in the DOGECOIN. So I've got a bunch of money on the sidelines. I mean, I wish I had more money on the sidelines, but the money I have on the sidelines is in the DOGECOIN. It's earning 2% just sitting there, which is pretty sweet. All right, for everybody just popping in, we are getting some news here out of eToro. So new coins being added, at least at this time, to eToro US. These are the ones we have: Algorand, Polygon, Basic Attention Token. Now, are these the only ones being added? We don't know. Hopefully there are more, and hopefully Shiba Inu is added into that, okay? Coinbase Pro, same thing. We're still waiting on big news there at Coinbase Pro. Let's see if eToro has said anything more. Their actual eToro account here. AMC up this morning, guys. AMC is up to $62.71 at market open. Just got the alert. How about that? So that's interesting. Discord's popping off too. A lot of great conversations going on in our Discord this morning with the markets the way they are. There was a lot of shopping happening this morning. So, all right, let's see here. Coinbase Pro, still nothing from them. We haven't heard from them since June 17th. What the heck is going on here? I mean, could we get some information here, Coinbase? Could we get some kind of insight here? Man, that would be nice. Dollar cost averaging allows you to lower your price per, if you purchase at 1, price drop to 50, buy the dip, cost averaging will bring your price to 75, so see profit sooner. Yeah, so somebody asked about dollar cost averaging earlier. Good explanation here by the Shibanator. So appreciate that, guys. Feel free to tweet me, guys, with any information. I do like sharing that right on stream, so I love giving other people in our community love on Twitter, so you can follow me over here at Z_Humphries. If you have any news information, tweet right at me. I'll share it on stream. I do like to do that just to kind of share, with everybody what I'm seeing, what I'm reading. So very cool. All right, so let's go back here. 2 more, and that should take us back to Coinbase. But yeah, back to this one, guys. We do believe Coinbase Pro. It would be shocking if it didn't happen this week, right? We got the delay that it was going to be delayed last Wednesday. Remember, it was supposed to be rolled out on Thursday morning. Last Thursday morning, we got the news Wednesday that it wasn't going to happen. So here we are Monday morning. We still haven't heard anything, right? I want to hear some kind of news here about what's going on. I want some information. I'm sure you do too. So hopefully we get it right here on the live stream and we could break it down. Hopefully we get some news and insight here right from Coinbase Pro. That would be nice, okay? And as everybody's popping in here, new people checking in, welcome. We're covering all our bases here: Coinbase Pro, Coinbase, eToro, Certic, ShibaSwap, Popular Press, Robinhood lingering, Voyager just adding it. So if you're getting some value out of this morning, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join our community. We'd love to have you. We're we're building out a really nice one. So I don't believe Coinbase Pro will list Shiba Inu. There was no acceptable reason to delay its listing. Well, because they're delaying its listing, it doesn't make me believe that they're just not going to list it. Why would they go through all this trouble of going, and making it public that they're going to list it? You would think they were going to do their homework before coming out and saying, hey, we're going to list this. So wouldn't they have seen something in that process that wouldn't, allow them to go public and say we're going to list it? So in terms of what I'm thinking here is, all indications for me are that we're still going to get a listing on Coinbase Pro. I'd be shocked if they retraced this and went backwards on this. I mean, it could happen, it definitely could, but I'd be pretty shocked, okay? But we are getting some news out of eToro, Algorand, Polygon, Basic Attention Token. Those are the three. Now, will there be more added? Hopefully. The official eToro page doesn't have much. Let's go over on Twitter and make sure we're not missing anything over here. Let's live on YouTube now. Hello from France. Appreciate that, guys. Yeah, thank you. All right, let's see SHIB token. Let's see if there's anything there. Any news and information here. I don't think they've tweeted anything recently. Okay, nope, just that recent tutorial. How about Shytoshi? Let's see what he's talking about. Anything recent? Okay, anyone posting for my post? Okay, they're suspect. Gotcha. All right, nothing there. How about SHIB Informer? Guys, welcome in. Welcome into the live stream this morning. Setting up for a huge week for Shiba Inu. Why is crypto down? Well, the entire market is down. I mean, why it's down? It's all speculation, right? But here's what I think. I think there's a lot of market manipulation going on right now. Bitcoin mining is, becoming a real issue for a lot of people, and I think that's why you're seeing Bitcoin's price go down. Also, they're having some issues over in China. They actually closed a mining center down. Somebody in chat actually let us know that, and I did gloss over that in a headline, I think over the weekend. So I think in the short term, we're seeing some sell-offs. We're seeing a lot of people move out of crypto now and back into the stock market as things are kind of slowly coming back in stocks. And, but here's the thing. I'm a long-term holder here. So when people say, like, what's going on? The world's coming to an end. Crypto's down today. I don't think like that. I just don't get in that frame of mind, because I look at a day today where everything's red. And Nutsack, appreciate the super chat. Nutsacks 909, he's in our Discord. Can this crypto deals get any better? Half off. Exactly. Took the words right out of my mouth. So I'm not a person that looks at this and says, oh my gosh, what's going on? The entire market is down. I'm a person who looks at this as, oh my gosh, the entire market's down. What am I going to buy today? And that, with that mindset, with that long-term mindset, when I see red painted everywhere, I'm loving it. I want to go shopping, and I did go shopping today. I got a few things, so I did go shopping, and I'm pretty pumped at some of the things we got at the prices we did. I mean, you could roll through here and just see all the discounts here. I mean, everything's half off today. It's crazy. All right. Appreciate the super chat too, man. Nutsacks. Nutsacks 909, one of the best names of all time. Appreciate you, brother. All right, let's see what's up. Okay, beware of fake links on Telegram. This is coming out 24 minutes ago. For example, in this fake ShibaSwap group, you click on an address that says shibatoken.com, but it's fake. This site has been denounced already. So guys, be really careful of this, okay? If you want to report the Telegram group, just join here and report. So be very, very careful. 4 hours ago, what do we got? ShibaSwap will be great for the SHIB army, but doesn't mean it's the only project. As long as you don't plan to implement a scamming business model, go ahead, assemble your team, be the catalyst for progress for SHIB. The SHIB army is not a group of passive holders. There you go. All right, so good stuff. And then SHIB Analyst put out the new YouTube videos, so there you go there. I'm going to go over and follow SHIB Analyst Steve. He does some good work over there as well. One of the YouTubers that we follow as well. So he does some great work. I'm going to give him a follow there. Guys, give him a follow as well. He's doing some great stuff. All right, so Coinbase Pro. What do we got here? Anything? Nothing. We need a tweet from Coinbase Pro. What is going on here? What is going on? I mean, it would be really nice to get some kind of indication here. You know what? Let's tweet at him here. Hopefully this pops up here. Are we going to get an update on SHIB? We want answers, right? They haven't tweeted in, what, 4 days, 3 days. All right, so everybody just checking in, welcome. Like and subscribe, welcome in if you're new here. We'd love to have you join the community. We're talking about the biggest week ever, in my opinion, for Shiba Inu, Coinbase Pro, Coinbase, eToro, Certic. Now eToro has come out. They have added 3 assets. These are the 3 they've added. Now we don't know if they're going to roll out more. These are the 3 we have right now: Algorand, Polygon, Basic Attention Token. But we still believe eToro could be adding something like Shiba Inu here in the near distant future. We don't know if these are the only 3 they're adding. I love Polygon, by the way. Matic, this should be good for Polygon. One of our favorites here on the channel. ShibaSwap, Popular Press, Voyager just adding. So many things happening at once. That's why I do believe it's the biggest week yet for Shiba Inu. All right, what else we got? Notifications here. Appreciate you guys dropping insight and information here. Gotcha. Replying to, gotcha. Okay. Cool. Let's go back there. And, you know, one thing I wanted to do, so the entire market's down, right? We know that. So this is another thing I'd like to do, guys. I'd like to look at the Google Trends, okay? And I haven't done this very much on a live stream as of late, but we're going to pull this up. All right, this is something I really like to do because it tells us a lot about what people are searching, what they're interested in. You can really glean a lot from this kind of data, okay? Super cool stuff here. You've probably seen it on some former live streams. If you've been around the channel for a while, you've probably also seen it you know, on some videos, because I have done some videos with this too. But it's really cool. So we're going to do a Shiba Inu search just to kind of see what's going on here in the past few days. All right, so we can pull this out and we can go past 7 days, and we're going to go worldwide here. Worldwide. And a lot of people, you know, pin this up against other assets, and I like to do this too. So eToro tweeted, yes they did. eToro US tweeted, Algorand, Polygon, Basic Attention Token. Okay, Omar just joined. Yeah, guys, I'll try to recap the news here. eToro just tweeted 3 new assets: Algorand, Polygon, Basic Attention Token. We don't know if there will be more. We don't know if there will be more assets added, but let's do our part here and respond to this real quick. Let's see what happens. We'll see if we get a response. Okay, so that's what we've got right now. Coinbase Pro, we're still waiting on news there. ShibaSwap, of course, can happen at any time. We're waiting on anything related to that. All right, so we're looking at worldwide trends here. Shiba Inu. And guys, drop a asset down in the chat. And I won't be able to get to everybody here, but drop an asset down in chat if you think there's something that, you know, would be nice to pin up against Shiba Inu here, just to kind of see what kind of demand, what kind of search traffic we have for some various assets. Always good to catch your live videos. Appreciate it, Glenn. Thanks, guys. Giovanni, what's up? Elmore, how we doing? Alessandro, Luis. Luis is another member of our Patreon group and Discord group. Welcome, Luis. Omar, what's up? How is everybody doing this morning? Anthony, XRP. All right, we'll start with that. Anthony, one of the true OGs in the chat. Appreciate you, brother. AMP, we'll look at AMP too. We'll look at SafeMoon. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're going to do it. We'll look at SafeMoon here. Now, you could put up to 5 in here, which is pretty sweet. All right. So we'll put it in here, and then we'll analyze some of this data here just to kind of see what's going on worldwide past week. ZIL. Okay, I like it. Now, sometimes you got to be careful that you put in the right, you know, should we do Ripple or XRP? Let's do Ripple, just see if that does anything. Okay, yeah, Ripple does a little bit more, so it's a little bit more specific there. XRP, Ripple. Gotcha, Anthony. Yep. BitTorrent. Yep, okay, we got a bunch of them. Everyday AMP. I say it every day, AMP. I love it as well. Yeah, AMP's on sale today too, Marius. Yep. Now the problem with AMP on the search trends is you put in AMP and you've got amplifiers, you've got all this kind of stuff, so you don't have an actual asset here. Okay. Same thing here. What we make sure we do here, Shiba Inu, we do the regular search topic, not the dog breed. So we make sure we're getting that correct data. All right. So WorkZay, what's up, man? DJ, what's up? Vanessa, Ryan, Kishu Inu, sure, we'll put in Kishu for you. Kishu Inu. All right, we'll put that in there. All right, so let's take a look at these four. We'll take a look at the data here. All right, so over time, we've got Shiba Inu number 1, XRP here number 2, SafeMoon number 3, and then a distant fourth is Kishu Inu. All right, this is the Google Trends traffic data. Now again, YouTube owned by Google, so when you're doing these Google Trends, you're getting insight and information from Google search engine as well as YouTube, the most popular websites in the world. So this is really good. All right, look at now we look at Shiba Inu, the top interest here, at least in the past week. Okay, worldwide past 7 days: Italy, Spain, Colombia, Indonesia, India. Very interesting. All right, some of the ones with more interest in Ripple, we've got Saudi Arabia, we've got Iran, we've got Turkey, we've got South Africa, we've got Thailand, and we've got Japan. Japan, obviously more interested there in Ripple. Norway, slightly more interested in Ripple. Okay. What else do we've got? UK, slightly more interested in Ripple there. All right, so we scroll down here, Shiba Inu. We could take a look now. The warmer these places on the map, the more interest. Okay, interest by region. So we've got Australia, United States, Nigeria with the warmest regions. India, though, is growing in popularity. Indonesia as well. South Africa growing. Spain as well. Okay. Slightly elevated in Finland from the last week or so. I remember looking at that not too long ago. So there you go. Here's some of the related queries. Here's what other people are searching. Coinbase Pro Twitter, Coinbase Pro, Shiba Inu, Coinbase Pro, Shiba Inu, Coinbase listing. Okay. So it's interesting here. Ripple, same thing here. So related queries, Ripple versus Mosquito. So maybe here, let's do this. Let's do Ripple XRP. All right, let's do, just trying to make this, let's do payment protocol. See what that does. Okay, that's where we were before. Okay, so that's the one we need. Crypto's not overnight riches. Let's all get real. I agree, Stone. DJ Cosby, what's up, man? Map is handy. All that wit in Africa, let me know not to go there. Alessandro, what's up? Heard Shiba was, gotcha. Maybe stablecoin for the swap. What's up, everybody? I'm trying to just catch up on chat. Dogecoin. Yeah, we can put Dogecoin in. Let's add Dogecoin to the mix. It's a good one. All right, so Doge, obviously here, highest interest. Ooh, interesting. Look at Dogecoin recently, guys. Whoa. Today at 9 a.m., a lot of people searching it up. Look at that spike. Look at that. Maybe with the price being down, look at that. Look at that pump on Dogecoin searches. Interesting. That is interesting. 22 cents. Yeah. Yeah, where is Doge right now? Dogecoin, 22 cents. You know, I've said this many times on the live streams, many times in videos. Dogecoin under 30 cents, I do believe is a great price. Okay. But yeah, big pop there. Let's look at Doge here on the maps. Let's go down to Dogecoin in particular here. Heavy interest in Turkey, US. Okay. Pretty good interest here in India, though, too. Indonesia, Australia, Brazil, Argentina, Peru, Venezuela. Interesting. Baby Dogecoin, where to buy? Dogecoin car crash. I don't know if you guys saw that. How to buy baby Doge. So people are actually searching up baby Doge. Yeah, Stone, you're right, man. If Doge drops, it's going to 4 cents, no support. It did have that crazy run up, man. You're right. I just think people will start filing in here soon at 20 cents, 21 cents. I don't know. We'll see. You could be right, Stone. Do we really want ShibaSwap to come out with the market down? I don't think it matters. I think this is only a snapshot in time, right? This is only a small snapshot in time. So, I think whenever it comes out, it's good that it comes out. I mean, I'm more concerned about the longevity of ShibaSwap, right? So I'm really not concerned if it comes out in a bull market or if it comes out when the market's down. I don't care. I don't think it's a big deal. Guys, like up the stream too on your way in. We'd appreciate you tremendously if you do that. It really helps out with the algorithm, helps us, build our community out, which is what we're trying to do. We're trying to build a community where we're helping each other grow each and every day, our portfolios, and in every aspect of life. So if you're about that, hit the subscribe button, join the community. We'd love to have you. Also, we've got our private community over here. Link is down in the description. You could become a supporter or an insider, and we're really building out a nice community here. Insider, you're going to get buy and sell trade alerts for the $20 per month. And I was sending out early morning messages today because I went shopping a little bit this morning. So I think a lot of people did. Also, if you're just checking in, eToro US adding a couple new assets, a few I should say, a couple's two, a few is three, right? Algorand, Polygon, Basic Attention Token. Those are the three being added to eToro as of right now, okay? Now, we do believe there could be more on the horizon for eToro. Remember, we were kind of going off of a tweet that they had on Friday, kind of trying to infer if Shiba Inu would be one of the tokens they would add. We don't see it yet as one of the ones that they'll add, but much like I feel about Robinhood, I think in due time eToro will add Shiba Inu. Okay, I just think in due time, whether it's today, tomorrow, next month, or what have you. I thought for a minute there it could be today because there were some interesting comments that the CEO at eToro made about Shiba Inu and about the community here back in May. I don't know if you guys saw that. Because when they added DOGECOIN, they also were talking about Shiba Inu. So check eToro's official Twitter. Okay, we've got that up too. Did they tweet something? Let's see. We've got that pulled up, no question. We got that ready. Let's see. Do they have a new tweet? Okay. Oh, geez, guys, there it is. Okay, we just added Algo, Matic, and Bat. Guys, this is big. Don't worry, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come with the wink. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, cool. Webull Shiba Inu partnership. What's going on with that, Workzay? Let me pull up Webull because I do trade on Webull. But this is big news, guys. Look at this. Don't worry, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. There you go. So there's our answer. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's like that. And let's respond real quick, guys. Nice. There it is, guys. We'll leave that up for a little bit. If everybody's just popping in, they just added Algo, Matic, and Bat, but don't worry. There's more crypto to come. What's going on in the market? There we go. The market's down overall, but we've got all these positive catalysts right now for Shiba Inu. I do think it's one of the biggest weeks, if not the biggest week for Shiba Inu. So if you're just popping in, welcome in. I'm hearing 10 being added. Okay, Tori, nice. 10 assets going to be added on eToro. Zach, your opinion on Cosmic Swap Token. AT, I have not looked at that one yet, brother. So I don't have any real opinion on it. All right. No real opinion on it. So everybody just checking in. This is the big news. We're gonna pull up. All right, so we don't need eToro US anymore because we just got the official word from eToro on that. Let's pull up Webull. That's another one I haven't talked a lot about, but this would be another great catalyst if Webull were to add Shiba Inu somewhere down the line. This could be big. Okay. Now they haven't tweeted in a long time here. June 2nd was the last time they tweeted here. So it'll be interesting to see, if they potentially add it down the line. I watched Crypto Future talk about the partnership. Okay, gotcha. I have not heard anything about the partnership between Webull and Shiba Inu, so I don't want to report on that. I don't know if that's imminent. I don't know if that's true. We'll have to see. So I guess we don't really need this right now. Let's pull up, we've got Coinbase Pro. Let's pull up Voyager just to see if they come out with anything else related to how well Shiba's done there on their platform. So we did get word that they blew up on Friday. Shiba Inu just blew up on Voyager on Friday. And of course, the CEO at Voyager was on CNBC, which was pretty sweet to see. But this is the big news right now, breaking 19 minutes ago. eToro just added Algo, Matic, and BAT, but don't worry, there's more crypto to come, and this is what we thought would happen. This is why we're on here live this morning, because instead of doing a video, a 10, 12-minute video, things are going to happen in real time, so I wanted to be right here with all of you in real time. So if you want to help us build out our community, make sure you like the stream, subscribe to the channel. Let's get more people in the SHIB army and more people that love crypto in here talking about what's going on. So Gary, what's up? There you go, Zach. Oh, thank you, Gary. Appreciate the super sticker, man. Thank you. Thanks for that, brother. Appreciate all the support, guys. Very grateful for everybody hanging out with us here. Really. Truly enjoy hanging out and doing this stuff, guys. And without all of you, wouldn't be possible. So thank you all very much. Appreciate it. Buy the dip. Shiba Inu will bounce back. Nice. Google and HBAR partnership. And HBAR? Okay, we could take a look at that. We'll Google Webull and Shiba Inu partnership. Let's see. We'll go back to some of those trends later, too. Webull and Shiba Inu partnership. Let's see. AMC is up. That's nice. I keep getting notifications there. All right, so Webull partnership. Okay, Crypto Future. There's some interesting articles about here. Okay, what's this? Reddit. Confirmed. What's this? Shiba Inu coin Webull partnership confirmed. All right. I want to get some more insight here on this. I want to get it from Webull themselves, okay? Webull. Welcome in, everybody. We're getting great news out of eToro. I'm going to recap you here in just a second. Welcome in, everybody that's new. Make sure you like up the stream, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Welcome in. All right. Webull.com. Here we go. All right, so this is Webull.com. Okay. So Shiba Inu, the token that recently saw 3-digit gains in single days, will be distributed among the users of crypto financial services firm Crypto. The token that recently saw, okay. Crypto.com announced that it would distribute Shiba Inu through its liquidity mining platform. Is this what was talked about? I mean, if this is the partnership, okay. This just looks like an article. So again, I haven't been able to find this for sure and confirm this yet. So we'll just leave this as is. I appreciate everybody bringing this to my attention. Anas, thoughts on Shiba? I like it. I like it a lot. That's why I own it. Voyager, anything there? Nope, just still SHIB on the pinned tweet, which is good. Let's see, notifications. People are blowing up here. What's going on? More info in the comments. How many out of the 10 new coins have been listed on eToro US? Okay, let's see here. So eToro US looks like they're adding 10 tokens here. They've already added 3. BAT, Algo, and Matic are the 3 new assets available June. Okay. It didn't say 10. It said a number of new coins will be launched and now available. Okay. All right, so we do have this, though. Okay, we've got this information. We just added Algo, Matic, and BAT, but don't worry. We hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. Now, what could be on the horizon? I don't know. Check Shaitoshi's Twitter. All right, gotcha. Let's hop over to Shaitoshi. What do we got? Where is our friend Shaitoshi? Shaitoshi. Shaitoshi Kusama. Here we go. Okay. Anyone posting with my pro? Okay. Nothing there. Is it in the tweets and replies? Okay, there's Shytoshi's Twitter. There's nothing there. So we're all caught up there. There's nothing there. All right. This is the big one. This is what I want more insight on right here. Which are the other ones they're adding? More cryptos to come. Which ones are they adding? And then Coinbase Pro, I'd like to get some information, man. Google Crypto Mom, a smell and SEC, XRP settlement coming. Nice, Anthony. So XRP settlement coming soon. Carl, guys, check out Shiba Inu. Don't be late. Make some money with memes. Tokens is the best. Here's the thing, Carl, on Shiba Inu. We just looked at the Google Trends. Shiba Inu is not even close. Not even close. Okay? In terms of all the other big assets like SafeMoon, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is not even close. People aren't looking at it as much. So it's not on my radar yet. But, hey, man, if you've already done well with it, I'm not saying don't invest in it, but this is just my opinion. That's right. That's where I'm standing on that. So I'm not yet invested in Shiba Inu for those reasons. Okay. Cloud Life, what's up? What am I looking at for when I examine the white paper of tokens? Okay, you're asking Stone. WorkZay, yep. Is that what you're talking about there, WorkZay? The partnership here with Webull? To me, this isn't really a partnership, right? They're actually just announcing what's going on Crypto.com, right? But nonetheless, I do think Webull could eventually add it, okay? So we'll see. We'll see. Luis, appreciate it. Yeah, I'm trying to multitask. I try to do my best. We're trying to get more insight as to, okay, SEC's Crypto Mom says Ripple's XRP. Good find there, Anthony. Appreciate that, my friend. Appreciate that, guys. So appreciate anybody bringing some good insight and information here. Great stuff. Great stuff. Coinbase Pro, what's going on? Anything? No. Not a tweet since June 17th. I got to crack another water here. All right. All right, got that. Let's see if Shiba Informer's got anything rolling here. Shytoshi tweeted 9 hours ago about this week. All fudders will be silenced about the swap. Saw that, Dima. Yeah, we talked about that at the top of the stream. Surely this is the swap week. I do believe so too, Thomas. And that's why I wanted to come on live this morning, because I just think this is a huge week with ShibaSwap, Certic, the Ask Me Anything event coming up on Tuesday. That indicates to me that they're going to do the Ask Me Anything and then roll out ShibaSwap, right? Certic's the company they're working with. eToro, they're in the middle of listing a bunch of assets. Here's what we got, the latest on eToro. They just added Algorand, Matic, which is Polygon, and BAT token, which is Basic Attention token. But don't worry, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. Now, who could they be talking about? They've got to be talking about the SHIB Army. We hear you loud and clear. Who else would they be talking about? It's got to be SHIB Army. So I think eToro is coming this week. I think Coinbase Pro, it's coming this week. We haven't heard from them since last Wednesday on the SHIB front, but I think it's coming this week, right? I mean, how long can they make us wait there? Once it's on Coinbase Pro, we roll into Coinbase, okay? Popular press is going to continue to pick things up like crazy. We've got Voyager just adding it. A lot of people adding the Voyager app to buy it on Voyager. It was the most traded asset on Friday on Voyager. It's great stuff, okay? We got a lot of great things working. Even with the market down, a lot of great catalysts working. Hey, Carl. Hey, more power to you, brother. Made 100K with Shiba Inu. Good for you, brother. That's awesome. I'm just I'm looking at these as long-term holds, brother. And right now, my long-term holds are Shiba Inu and DOGECOIN in the community coin realm. But I hear you, brother. That's great. King Crypto, we should make a petition for Coinbase Pro to give us an update. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. Yeah, we should. That's funny. What's up, everybody? Bag Baby, Music, welcome in. Starsky, gonna could take a month on the Pro delay. You think so, Starsky? You think it could take that long? I'd be shocked. I'd be shocked if it took that long on the delay. They had to look at this and say, hey, you know, we're not going to come out and say, you know, were listing this without doing some due diligence here, right? I mean, it's Coinbase Pro. I mean, I'm sure they looked at everything a couple times. I don't know. I think it says Coinbase has had serious computer issues over the weekend. Rocket Bunny holders showed 1 trillion profit in error. Gotcha, Perry. That's interesting. Interesting insight. Thank you. Jose, hey, huh, y'all. What's up, Jose? What's up, man? One day be good. I have doubts with that statement, to be honest. With what statement? Christine, 9 hours ago, Shaitoshi said, and no more swap testing. Yes, saw that. Screw Coinbase Pro, buy on Voyager. Well, I mean, that's why Voyager saw a huge increase in people coming to the platform. Most of that traffic was, from Shiba Inu faithful. But I'm really interested here on eToro here. What are we going to get? There's more crypto to come. So, I mean, I think here, look at this. I mean, put in chat, what do you think eToro is also going to be listing? I'd like to get your thoughts. Everybody in chat, light up the chat. What do you think eToro is going to list other than Algo, Matic, and BAT? It could be more than one, too. Light up in chat. What do you think eToro is going to list? It's a business after all, so swap then be pro. I'm curious why Shiba has such a huge supply. I mean, I think, why? That's a good question. I mean, I think they kind of explain it a little bit in their ecosystem. That's kind of why they have the leash token, too, with a limited supply as well. AMP. Okay, you think AMP could be going to eToro, too? Shiba. Gotcha. SafeMoon and XRP. Okay, interesting. SafeMoon. SafeMoon, SHIB, FEG. Gotcha. I think, yeah. I could see SafeMoon and SHIB being added to eToro. Farhan, we looked at FEG a couple different times on stream before. I like it. I wouldn't put a lot of money into it. I would just put, if it were me, I would put in like $50 and give it a flip, give it a roll, right? But that's just me. It's really, really speculative. Good time to buy AMP FlexPay. Jose, I was looking at AMP very closely this morning, and for those of you in the Discord, I might be going after it. So if and when I do, you'll know. Any members of the Patreon Discord group, you'll know if and when I go after it. And guys, we're looking at a lot of things related to SHIB right now. A lot of great things happening. This is the latest tweet from eToro. So they say, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. So too, if you want to join the private community, come on over. We're all about constant growth here, growing our portfolios together. We've got the supporter level and the insider level. Includes Discord benefits here, chat, community, general support. Then on the $20 per month level, you're going to get buy and sell trade alerts. And then eventually we're going to build a portfolio together. So if that's something that interests you, come on over and join us. As you can see, we've got 14 members before I came onto the live stream already. Just launched this a couple days ago. So we'd love to have you over there. I was messaging our group members this morning. We went shopping. A lot of us went shopping. So if that's something that interests you, come on over and check us out. We'd love to have you over there. All right, so Bitcoin down at 32.9 right now. Ethereum is back up over 2,000, so that's interesting. That's good for the overall market. We are down about 4%. Earlier this morning, we were down about 7%, so we are coming back up in the right direction here. Cardano was down below $1.30. Here comes Dogecoin back up to 23 cents. So things are slowly rolling back here. Are we going to see a reversal here? A lot of people maybe coming in and buying these dips. Look at Polygon and Chainlink. Chainlink under 20, Polygon under 130. Interesting times there to hop in. Theta coming back up slowly here, still under $8. VeChain well under 10 cents, down at 8 cents right now. What else do we got here? Aave at 226. They're down quite a bit. T-Fuel down at 52. Sheeb down at 6.9. Sheep's coming back slowly here, trying to push back up over to 7. Or I should say there it is. It did just pop back 7.1. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu chart here. We'll pull that up. Anybody buy the dips? Did anybody buy the Shiba Inu dips today? Let me know in chat. Light up the chat if you bought Shiba Inu dips this morning. Trading volume is up 13%. So that's interesting. This always takes a second to load up, guys. Welcome in. Welcome into the stream, everybody. Oh, dear God. What happened, Stone? There are a lot of FUD newbies. Okay, so FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's FUD. It's not long-term holders. That's what FUD's about, okay? FUD is for people who are swing trading and day trading, who only looking to make a quick buck and not looking to hold assets for the long term. That's a lot of the FUDders. Those mutter FUDders. Bought more SHIB on the dip for 10 mil. Nice. What's up, Chris? Laurel, what's up? DJ got 60 million SHIB hodl. Nice. All right, let's look at the hourly. Let's look at the 30-minute, actually. All right, so we are bouncing back up here a little bit, guys. All right, there's the 30-minute candlestick chart. We'll keep that up here on a screen here. Bought 1 million more. There you go, Saeed. Nice. Workzay, love that one. You love that one, bro. Those mutter FUDders. Bro, all these putting their hopes and dreams on meme coins makes me sad. Yeah, man. I mean, here's the thing, guys. I stress this all the time on the channel. Stone will tell you. All the people in the Discord will tell you. I do not have more than 1 to 2% of my portfolio in community-based coins. That means less than 2% of my portfolio is made up of Shiba Inu and DOGECOIN combined. Most of my portfolio is Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon, Chainlink, these type of assets. Okay, just want to put that out there. Appreciate you mentioning that, Stone, because I don't think maybe I don't mention that as much. Okay, now do I love what Shiba Inu's doing? Obviously, and I think a lot of people do. The community's growing, and I'm part of that community. I'm happy to be a part of it, but you got to diversify. You got to diversify your portfolio. It's very, very important to do. You don't want to be all in on one asset or another. Similarly, you don't want to be all in on one stock or you know, diversification is huge. Okay. All right, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. Well, which ones are you gonna add? We need more information. Shib Army, look at this. Just lighting it up. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. What do we got here? Notifications. Okay, appreciate the likes, guys. Appreciate the retweets. Okay, no news, though. Guys, if you do get any news and information, feel free to tweet me at Z_Humphries. Be happy to report that right here live on stream. So, why is it a big week for Shiba? Why is it a big week? Coinbase Pro lingering. That leads to Coinbase. eToro, adding more assets, could be Shiba Inu. We do believe it will be. Certic, Ask Me Anything event coming up on Tuesday. ShibaSwap, lingering. We do believe it's coming very, very soon. Probably this week with Certic doing the Ask Me Anything event. We've got popular press talking about us like crazy. CNBC went on with the Voyager CEO talking about Shiba Inu. We think we'll get more popular press. Barron's articles, Yahoo Finance articles. Voyager just added the asset on Friday. It continues to be super, super popular. Is this enough? Are these enough reasons why it's a big week for Shiba? Hopefully it is. If you're getting some value, guys, like and subscribe. We appreciate having you here this morning. Wanted to do this early this morning just because, you know what? Instead of doing a video, there's too many things going on all at once. Too many things are happening. Let's go live. Let's talk about it for a little while. So that's what we're doing this morning. Been trading for 4 years, and all I see is new traders bidding against themselves. I hear you, King. I hear you, man. Julian, yes, nice. Okay, good. I'm glad I gave you enough reasons why it's a huge week for Shiba Inu. Nice. Juan, what's up? CEO, who can it be? The CEO of eToro, I think I mentioned, or the CEO of Voyager. That's what I was talking about. Craig, 0.0008 is definitely doable. Oh, I think so too. Yeah, for sure. We were just there not too long ago, my friend. Yeah. Where is that? Here it is. Okay. Here's our charts right now. Oh, 0.008. Gotcha. So 8 right here in this column. Not, yeah, I think eventually we can get there for sure. For sure. Guys, check out that SHIB calculator too. We've talked about that on the stream too. That's pretty cool. If you want to do some quick math and kind of see where it needs to be, what the market cap needs to be. You know, right now market cap's at 2.8 billion, okay? We got as high as 13.5 billion market cap when this thing ran up last month. So that just put that in perspective, we were as high as a 13.5 market cap, which is pretty crazy, okay? Bullish Shalom, I appreciate the super chat, my friend. Buy yourself something. I know it's not much. Hey, listen, any super chat is great in my book. $1, $2, $3, $4, it doesn't matter. It's a great way, obviously, for you to say thank you. And listen, I appreciate it. Super chats, super stickers, all that, all the likes and the subscribes too. That's the best way to give back. So listen, man, I appreciate it. Each and every super chat I appreciate. So thank you. I'll continue to keep doing this for the community. Emmanuel, what's up? Sean, how we doing? Very informative, man. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the kind words. I try my best. I don't know everything, Sean. I'm learning each and every day. There's a lot of people in chat who know a lot more things than I know. And that's great because I get to learn here with all of you in real time. So I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Min, do you think ShibaSwap will release tomorrow? Well, you got the Ask Me Anything event coming up on Tuesday. So I see why you're getting to that, right? Because the Ask Me Anything event, you might roll out ShibaSwap with it, maybe a day later. I don't know. Could happen. We'll see. Nutsack, thanks for the super chat again, my friend. I hit my goal of 1 billion this weekend. Nice. So you have 1 billion Shiba Inu tokens? That's awesome, brother. That is awesome. Nutsacks909, shout out to you, brother. Great name, great guy, always in our Discord, dropping great knowledge. Very, very insightful guy, guys. Nutsacks909, he's one of those people I was talking about. I learn a lot from this guy, okay? He knows a ton about crypto, and I'm really, really happy that he's part of our community here on YouTube and part of our community over on Patreon and Discord. Kelsey, bye. Zach, I'd appreciate your opinion on Elon Dogcoin. Elon Dogcoin, that's another one, man, like Feg, right? Like, I would throw in maybe, $50 and let it ride. I wouldn't put much more into it than that. Right now, it's just too speculative for me, all right? Time of AMA event, we're going live. The CertiK AMA event, we don't know exactly when it is. Let's actually pull up. That's a good question. That's actually a really good question. Let's pull up CertiK's Twitter, actually, and see if they're giving any more information on that, okay? Let's do that. Nutsacks, got your super chat. I'm going right back to it here in a minute. Have you looked up into Casper CSPR? Yeah, you mentioned that over in the Discord, and dude, I've been looking at it since you mentioned that. Great find, Nutsacks. Okay, so let's see here. Pin tweet, and I'll get right to that here in a second. Takes over session. Okay, where was their tweet? Where was CertiK's tweet? Oh, here it is. So this is the one that they tweeted about. This Tuesday, we'll be hosting an AMA with a hot crypto project. Ask Me Anything event. We're looking forward to enabling the community to get to know them even better. Can you guess which one it is? All will be revealed soon. So we don't have a time yet, okay? Good question. We don't have a time for the AMA event, but we do believe that Shiba Inu is the one they're going to be talking about. All indications are that that's the one they're going to be talking about, right? Okay. So, all right, Nutsacks, let me go right back up to your super chat. Have you looked into Casper, CSPR? Let's pull that up for everybody, and let's drop some knowledge on them. Nutsacks, drop this over into our Discord. I will share this with you. Obviously, we've got to keep a lot of things private for our private members over there, but I will pull this up. This is one to be aware of, guys. Let's see here. Let's pull up digital coin price just to kind of get some insight here. Casper's good. Everto knows about it. Okay, so these are some price predictions. All right, it's a smart contract lab. We're going to pull this. Let's get a little more insight on it. Actually, is CSPR on CoinMarketCap, I wonder? Wonder if it's over there. We could put. I just want to give you guys a little background here on it. And I'm still learning about this too. Nutsacks dropped this into our Discord, so I'm just learning here. But it looks awesome. What the heck's going on here? Okay. There we go. A lot of people giving Trident some love. Oh, geez. Good morning, Richard. I would like to send you 10 million Shiba for all your dedication to the SHIB army. Just let me know how to send it to you, brother. Richard, honestly, man, the best way to give back, because I don't like, really doing anything outside of this. Best way to give back, if you want to, give a tip or whatever, just a super chat right here, man. That'd be the best way. And how about this? Just Scout's Honor, I'll use it on Shiba Inu for you. How about that? All right, what's going on here? Have you heard of Trident token? Yeah, we hear about it now. There's a lot of people bouncing in here talking about it. All right, so let's hit yes, Casper Network. Sorry this is taking so long to get up and running here. Okay, the future proof blockchain. All right, sweet. The first proof of stake blockchain built off the Casper CBC. So this is pretty sweet. So the Casper network is the first live proof-of-stake blockchain built off Casper CBC specification. It's designed to accelerate enterprise and developer adoption of blockchain technology today and evolve to meet user needs in the future. Future proofs. Predictable gas fees. I like that. But guys, check this out. Nutsacks let this be known to all of us in the Discord, and it's definitely an awesome project. So, guys, go check this out. Here's some homework for you. Look into Casper's network and look at what they're doing. The CSPR token is the native token of the Casper network. As the proof-of-stake blockchain, Casper relies on CSPR to reward the validators that participate in this proof-of-stake consensus mechanism to help secure and uphold the network. They also rely on the Casper to pay network fees for on-chain actions. All right. Once Casper lockup period ends, we anticipate the token to be available through other platforms per jurisdiction compliance. So this is something, it's available to non-US, non-China, and non-Canada participants in CoinList supported jurisdictions. So check this out. You're ahead of the game here on this project. Check out the community here. They're on Twitter. Actually, let's go over there and follow them on Twitter, just so we can stay up to date with what they're doing. And again, appreciate Nutsacks dropping this in there, man. This is big. Really, really cool project they're working on. Not the mattress for sleepers. That's hilarious. I like that. Little sense of humor in their bio, too. That's cool. All right, so guys, if you're just popping in here for the first time, this is the big news of the morning. They just did eToro, Algorand, Matic, and BAT. Don't worry, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. We do believe that in that more crypto, it'll be Shiba Inu. So again, if you're just popping in, we're looking at the charts here. We're back up over the 707 levels or 70 levels, depending on how you look at this, which is good. Again, not a big short-term chart watcher, but because I'm not a day trader, not much of a swing trader either, but I do like seeing things go up that I'm holding for the long term. Rico, we've looked at Trident token before. I know a lot of you guys are pushing it. I'm not going to continue to push these super speculative tokens, though, out there. I mean, I say pretty much the same thing about these quite a bit. They're very speculative. A lot of these, put a little bit in there, and don't break the bank. Fiona, how you doing? What's up? Not really. No, really. Okay. KNCL. All right, a lot of people hopping in here. Welcome in. Zach, GINUX. I don't know about that one. New token, PI token, Glass. I don't know about that one either. Please check volume. The coin is trading. Low volume, just say no. Yeah. If it's low volume, just say no. Just say no to low volume. Doge down too. Yeah, definitely. Negi, hey bro, what's up? Yes, a lot of things down, man. We went shopping this morning. I went shopping. Let me know, guys, in the chat if you guys went shopping this morning. What else did you add on to your portfolios? That'd be cool. I'd like to know that. SHIB supporter from Malaysia. Nice. Nice, Hassan. What's your opinion about the 10-sec coin? No opinion on it, man. I just know that it's speculative. Okay. You do know XRP will be the only crypto if regulated. I hear you, man. Yeah, XRP is one that I'm watching closely. I'm watching that lawsuit, seeing what happens. I know a lot of people are doing the same. A lot of people are already invested in it. But I do like XRP. I've never said I don't like XRP. Just want to see what happens with the SEC regulations, the lawsuits. Add more ADA, Link, and LTC. Nice, Deep Ground. Nice. I won't say what I added, but I added some more of one of the assets you listed in there. Everybody in the Discord knows exactly which one it is and how much. So, guys, if you're interested in that, come on over and join us. We'd love to have you over in the private community. This link is in the description over there, supporter level, insider level. You will get buy and sell trade alerts. And this morning I sent at least 2. I might be sending more throughout the day because, man, there's a lot of things on discount right now. A lot of things to go shopping for. Nice, Kid Indy. Got $100 in on Chili's. Nice. Luis, Casper has gone from a high 126 to around 21 cents in 3 months. Not interested yet. Okay, there you go, Luis. You do like, I mean, generally speaking, though, you know, you'd like to buy low, sell high, right? So when things are down and they're assets that you like, generally speaking, it's good, okay? Uh-oh, getting a nice little green pump here, green candlestick going. Let's see what happens here. We're on the 30-minute charts, guys. So we'll see here. Trading volume is up here in the 24-hour. H-bar is like XRP's rival, XRP's rival. Yeah. It's a good point, Workzay. AMP is a sleeping giant. I like AMP, man. I like AMP. Here, let's pull up. Let's keep the chart up. We'll keep up another coin market cap. Pull that up. Boom, I appreciate the kind words, man. Thank you. Thanks for the kind words. I'm doing my best, man. I'm doing my best. I try to do my best for everybody who subscribes to the channel, everybody out there in the SHIB community, anybody who's interested in crypto. You know, we talk about all things crypto on the channel, guys. We talk about things like Polygon and Chainlink and Theta. These 3 right here I like. So I really appreciate anybody who stopped by even one time on the channel. Really, really thank you. Very grateful for each and every one of you for stopping by, hanging out with us. All right, so what was the one we wanted to look at? AMP, right, AMP. I think, you know, this is a good point. AMP could be a really nice get. I've been watching this. I almost pulled the trigger this morning and got in there at 0.08, but look, now it's down below it. I wanted to watch this closer, so I'm going to continue to watch this throughout the day. I might be opening a position in AMP. I'll tell you that. People in the Discord, Patreon, they'll know exactly when I do that, but I'm watching this really closely. A lot of people said, well, Zach, why aren't you getting AMP? And this was, you know, back on the 15th, 16th. I said, it's going up like crazy right now. It's on the rise. I don't want to buy it on the way up. I want to buy it on the way down, and here it comes. So I don't know where it's going to settle back in. Maybe it settles back in at like 5 cents. I would love that. But you've got some support here at the 7.5 level. It hasn't broke back down there. So maybe it gets right back down to there. Maybe that's a decent time to open up a spot here. Okay? At the 0.75 level here, right? But the AMP is it's an interesting asset. So it works as collateral, right? It's a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers. It works and runs on the Ethereum blockchain, which I love, right? I'm a big fan of Ethereum, so I'm all about that. Okay. Let me change my, trying to get my light here. Sorry, guys, fixing the ring light here a little bit. There we go. There we go. Cool. SHIB coin buy on Voyager. Yes, it is available on Voyager. Hey, what's trending here? Sandshoe, Shiba, Bitcoin, Sun. What's this? Sun and HODL. There's your trending coins and tokens. But I do like AMP. It's a solid one. No doubt. AMP's a filler for when crypto doesn't go through, so why hold it? Alexander, you know, it's true. That's a good point. But I think it does serve a purpose, right? And I like that. It does serve a purpose. But you're right. It's essentially a filler for when crypto doesn't go through, but it's still necessary. Zach, homie, check your mail. Day Silver, are you emailing me? You're dropping emails? Guys, I'm sorry if you guys are hitting me up on emails and everything. I try to get back to everybody as timely as in a timely fashion, but Sharma, is Shiba a joke? I don't think so. And San, first time watching you. Well, welcome, San. Hopefully, subscribe to the channel, join the community here that we're building. We'd love to have you. Anybody new here who has not subscribed yet, please do so. Please join us. We'd love to have you here. We're trying to build a nice community out where we're all helping each other. So, if that's something you're interested in, you came to the right place. Let's see. Jake G, what's up? Hey, Zach, have you used Matic Network for DeFi? Very low fees. Right. This is what Mark Cuban talks about too, right? About 0.001 Matic per transaction. Just deposited some Matic on Aave for some nice interest. Very great stuff, Jake. Appreciate the great comment. I believe Mark Cuban has actually talked about that exactly the way you just did. That's why he's a huge fan of Polygon. And yeah, I'm a massive, massive fan of Polygon, the layer 2 solution helping on the Ethereum blockchain and the Ethereum 2.0 network. So yes, Polygon is one of my favorites, and Jake G's dropping some great knowledge on how you can use it for DeFi. So great stuff, man. Appreciate that. Good afternoon, all. Well, here it's morning, but good afternoon to you, Wooder's Life. You must be perhaps in Europe somewhere or somewhere out there, across the pond, as they say. Malik, what's up? Day Silva, yes, you did email me. All right, I'll try to get back to you, my friend. Sorry about that. Hello from Perth, Australia. DR Carries, Perth, Australia. Welcome, man. Welcome. Guys, like and subscribe, too, if you haven't already. We'd love for you to hit that like button. Let's jump this up to 300 likes. Can we get up to 300 likes in the next 2 minutes? In the next 2 minutes, can we jump this up to 300 likes? And we'll keep going live this morning. We'll continue on for, I don't know, maybe we'll make it our longest live stream ever. We'll see. What about PayPal? Article on CoinDesk. Bobby B. What about PayPal are you reading? We do know PayPal continues to add various crypto assets. They're also looking to have their own wallet, which was something they didn't have at first. You know, I like PayPal and overall what they're doing, but right now the fees are crazy, and the fact that you're not as secure on PayPal is kind of worrisome. So I had a little bit of money on crypto, or excuse me, on PayPal, but I did take it out of there. That took long. Yeah, we jumped it up to 316 likes. Beautiful. That's awesome. We'll continue to hit the like button if you haven't already. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. We'll continue to talk about all things crypto, and we're waiting on eToro. So this is the news we've got right now, right? We just added Algo, Matic, and Bat, but don't worry, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. So let's see if eToro has said anything else related to what else they're adding. Nothing yet. Okay. But we'll continue to watch that. PayPal controls you and your money. Yes, Stone, I agree. There is some truth to that, and I wouldn't suggest that we go that route to have your crypto. I know it's really like easy to use, and I know a lot of people use it, which is appealing, right? But yeah, just be careful. Do your homework on any exchange that you tend to use, right? And any exchange that you want to use. So Okay. All right. Oh, guys, I created a video yesterday. It came out yesterday afternoon. Happy Father's Day. Happy belated Father's Day to anybody out there, too. Hopefully you had some great times with family and friends yesterday. I did create a video about Texas and them wanting to be the crypto leader in the United States. Cryptocurrency now coming to Texas grocery stores. So the grocery store HEB is putting cryptocurrency kiosks into a bunch of the Texas grocery stores, which is super, super cool. So I created a video related to DOGECOIN because DOGECOIN is one of the ones that looks to be added in these kiosks. So go check that out if you haven't already. Really cool news, exciting news. We went through this article here and talked about it from the Houston Chronicle, what it means for all of crypto. I think it's great. I think it's great news. Franklin, Frank from DC, appreciate it, man. Thanks for the kind words. I'm glad that you're getting some value on this channel. That's my goal. I don't know everything. I always say I don't know it all. I don't pretend to either. When there's something I don't know, I tell you I don't know. But there's a lot of other people who know some great things, have some great insight and intel, and I usually defer to people, like Stone, one of our moderators. There's so many people. Workzay. There's so many people here that have knowledge and insight. So that's what it's all about, man. Sorry to hear that, Stone. My condolences for you and your family, man. At least we're here for you. You got a community here for you, man. Jennifer, how you doing? Welcome in, Anthony, Mikey, George, Everto, Raul. What's up? Nice. How long is it going to take Shiba Inu to get to 0.01? I say 2025, but again, it's all speculation. We don't really know, right? But I would say it's going to take a while. It's going to take a while. Everly, what's Gucci? What's Gucci? What else do we got, guys? eToro. Let's pop back over to the price here, see what we got. Working on the candlesticks here. These are the 30-minute sticks. Let's see here. All right, we're an hour and 42 minutes in, guys. I'm still feeling pretty good, but can we jump this up to 350 likes? If we jump this up to 350 in the next 2 minutes, we'll keep it rolling. We'll definitely go into hour number 2. Hey everyone, hey Zach, I'm new to this channel and even in the crypto market. I live in Greece and I'm planning on investing in SHIB. Can I do that through Coinbase Pro? Is it safe? What should I use? Great question, Teo AI or Al. Can't remember which one that is, if that's the L or the I. Great question, Teo. I think there's a lot of different people who can help you out. I am not in Greece, I'm in the US, but there are so many different exchanges out there to help you out. So if somebody could give some insight to Teo there in Greece, what are the best ways for he or her to get Shiba Inu? Here's the thing. Eventually, you're going to be able to get it right through ShibaSwap. So do you want to wait till then? You can do that. Right now, you can also get it on, KuCoin, Binance, I think, as well as Crypto.com has it, right? So many, many options for you out there. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel, too. Let's see. What else we got? RC, do you think Shiba will hit a half cent this year? I think it would be tough, but I think it's doable. It would be certainly tough, though. But it's doable. Cuban Salcero, thank you for the super chat, man. Appreciate that. And guys, if you send a super chat, any super chat is great too. If you send a super chat and want to have a question there too, I appreciate just the tips. Those are great. But if you do have a question added with your super chat, I will jump right to it because those take precedence. What's going on with Uniswap? Avanish, I didn't hear anything with Uniswap. Is there anything that I'm missing? What's going on? Hey, y'all from Holland in the house. Nice. Master Elf, what's up, man? Daniel Nathan Hill just bought some more Doge and ADA in the dip. What else do you suggest? Got loads of SHIB already. I like what you did there this morning, Daniel, adding ADA and Doge. Can't complain. There are so many assets on sale this morning, so many different directions you can go, in my opinion. And Ethereum was, below 2,000 for a while. Now it's slightly above it. As you said, Cardano has been dipping. XRP has been a nice discount price. Dogecoin, nice discount price. Uniswap as well. Polkadot. Polkadot just got added to COINBASE, right? I did see that recently. Polkadot just got added. So that's pretty sweet. Chainlink, I think that's beautiful below 20. Thomas Fox, thank you for the super chat, man. Donation for the cause from an avid SHIB Army soldier. Appreciate that, my friend. Right back to you. Thanks for being on stream this morning. Thanks for hanging out with us and being part of the community. Appreciate that. Thank you. Polygon down below 130. Love that. I was really lucky on Matic Polygon. I got in there well below $1, actually. I got in there at 77 cents was when my opening position started. And then I also got more at 88 cents. So, or no, take that back. It was the other way around. I got in at 88 cents and then got more at 77. So Polygon under $1 is just phenomenal. Ziggy Montes, thank you so much for the super chat, my friend. Appreciate that. Something about SafeMoon, Akita, Kishu Inu. Thank you. Sure thing. I've been creating some videos recently. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly too. Ziggy Montes. On SafeMoon, I'm really starting to like it, man. It's my third favorite community coin next to Doge and Shiba Inu. I think the timing is really nice right now. It's been consolidating, speaking of SafeMoon, for a long time. Go check out the two former videos, these two previous videos I did on SafeMoon, and I break it down in greater detail as to why I like SafeMoon. Now, with Akita and Kishu, I have similar thoughts on these. So this is kind of how I've built my understanding and kind of my philosophy on Akita and Kishu and Alaska, all these other Inus, not Shiba Inu. If you go to the Google search trends, they're not receiving the type of traffic that Shiba Inu and SafeMoon are. And I look there first because there's got to be an interest level, a global interest level, before people start buying at rapid rates. So when that time comes with Akita or Kishu, maybe it does come down the line, then I'll start looking at them closer. My advice would be to you right now, if you're going to add Akita or Kishu, just tread very lightly. Only risk what you're willing to lose, and don't put your entire bankroll into these very speculative assets. All right, so hopefully that helps. Appreciate the super chat. Anthony says super chats must not be available in the UK. I don't know about that, Anthony. Not familiar with that, actually. I have no idea. ETC. Stone, who's talking about ETC? You know how I feel about ETC, guys. Not a huge fan. Prestige, ICP, and Matic. I like Matic. Not a big fan of ICP. Bitcoin, Shiba 100X. Can we keep Shiba stable during this crash? It's not as down as other assets, right? Other things are down 12%, 10%. What's SHIB down? Like 6? Where is it at? Yeah, SHIB's only down 5% during this crash. So if you want to call it a crash or correction. So that's not bad. You guys are funny. Franklin, what do you think about VeChain? I like it. I own it. VeChain and the supply chain management, they've got big plans. They've got 8 different areas, I think. I think it's 8 different areas they want to get into, whether it be in retail, agriculture. Man, if one of those areas really takes off and they changed the way the supply chain operates, I think VeChain is really situated nicely. They don't have a lot of competition, and they're really solving real-world problems. So I like VeChain. Yeah, I like VeChain. I want to buy ADA, but I'm scared of more dips. Shall I wait, or is this the perfect hour? Listen, there's no perfect time. It's hard to have that perfect timing, right? But when you look at ADA right now, let's take a look. 132. Listen, man, if you plan on holding this for the long term, I think this is a great get. And again, don't be so concerned if you get it at $1.31 and then the next 2 hours it's at $1.28, right? Don't freak out over that, especially if you're thinking long term, right? Because we all think Cardano's going to have a huge summer. I created a live stream not too long ago about this. You could see in the thumbnail it says ADA set up to have a huge summer. Still, a lot of people are watching that a few weeks after we released it because I think they want to find out more about Cardano. So go back and check out that live stream. We talked about them rolling out smart contracts coming in August, September. And I've created also some price prediction videos on Cardano. I think they've got big things ahead. Charles Hoskinson was recently on the Lex Friedman podcast, did a fantastic job. Lex talked to him for like 4 hours. It was super informative. I haven't even got through all of it yet, but I've listened to about 2.5 hours of it. Charles is not only brilliant, I mean just completely brilliant, but his plans for Cardano are very, very persuasive. And I do think Cardano could be number 3 in market cap this year. I think it could hop over Binance. You can see it's $5 billion back from Binance right now. I think eventually it could pop over Tether here and really take a stronghold on the number 3 spot behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I think it could go to $5 at least by the end of this year. So that's my thoughts there on Cardano. Oh, excuse me. Thomas Fox, have a look at ID Inu. Yeah, we've looked at this one again. We'll look at it because I know that one's over on CoinGecko. We will look at that one. So that's another one. We'll take a look at it for you, Thomas. Appreciate that, my friend. That is another one. 80 Inu, right. I think it's 80. 80 Inu. There it is, 80 Inu. All right, so it's down a little bit, actually way down from where it was last week, so it might be a good get. But again, super, super speculative here. Okay, so don't break the bank. And this is another one. All-time high was just set 5 days ago. Okay, so this is a very new speculative token. So just be careful. All-time low was actually set 3 hours ago, which is kind of interesting. All right, so you are getting it on a discount price right now. But just be careful because these are all very, very speculative. But here's 80 Inu for you. Anybody out there looking for a new one? Baby Dogecoin. All right, while we're here, we'll look at Baby Doge real quick. Baby Ever Doge. Baby Shiba Inu. Look at all these. Baby Shark. Baby Doge. Baby Dogecoin. Here you go. Avanish crypto portfolio. I've said it previously on previous streams, and but yeah, I can rattle off some of the ones I really like. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Chainlink, Polygon, VeChain. Decentraland. I think I'm getting close to all of them. Those are some of the ones I like. But there's a lot of others that are on my radar, and a lot of those ones we're talking about over on the Patreon and the Discord. So if you want to come over and hang out with us there in the private community, we've got the supporter level, insider level. We're continuing to add members each and every day. Now with the $20 per month insider level, you're going to get buy and sell trade alerts. And I gave a few alerts out this morning. I went shopping this morning, so it's a great time over there. So if you want to come over and join us over there, we'd love to have you. So that link is down in the description. We got something from Certic. Let's see. Use case on Baby Doge. I don't know if we have one really, but where is Baby Doge? We'll pull this up real quick for you. All-time high was actually about 9 hours ago. All-time low, 13 days ago. So it's on the rise, Baby Doge. But right now, you're on the high end. So again, you want to buy low, sell high usually. But the volume's been up. Look at the 24-hour period. Up 69%, up 178% in the 7-day. We'll check out the website real quick for Baby Doge. Baby Doge, question mark, baby returns on investment. World's best community coin. So here's Baby Doge. World's best. Nutsacks, appreciate that. I left you a link on Discord about Casper. We'll explain Casper the best way if you would like to show them. Yeah, I could do that. Thanks again for the super chat, man. Thanks you. Thanks a lot. So here, let me. Okay, gotcha. Ethereum's Casper explained. Binance Academy. Gotcha. I'll pull that up. Thanks, Nutsacks. Thanks for sharing that. I will pull that up, and we'll go back to Baby Doge in a minute. I also bought BTT along with CHZ and more VET. There you go, Deep Ground. That's solid. I should be able to find it just this way here. Nutsack going this way with it. Ethereum, Casper explained. Binance Academy. Got it. Appreciate that, my friend. All right, so we were talking about Casper earlier, guys. So this is a newer project that Nutsack's been talking a lot about over in our Discord, and I wanted to talk more about it. Let's learn about it together. So what is Ethereum Casper? All right, Casper is an implementation that will eventually convert Ethereum into a proof-of-stake blockchain, Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum was launched in the summer of 2015 as a proof of work. They're trying to transition to the staking model, right? Now, to date, there have been 2 co-developed Casper implementations in the Ethereum ecosystem. All right, so researcher Vlad Zamfir was the first version there. Although research on CBC, okay, has evolved into a wider field of study. Just scanning here, guys. Okay, research is being led by Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. The initial proposal consisted of a hybrid POW-POS system. Interesting. But the implementation is still under discussion, and new protocols may eventually replace it with a pure POS model. Very interesting. The transition from Ethereum 1.0 to 2.0 is dubbed the Serenity Upgrade. It's going to be different phases. Unlike POW mining, whereas miners run expensive and specialized machines, right? Casper implementation will remove the process of mining from Ethereum. Alternatively, the verification and validation of new blocks will be done by block validators, which are selected according to their stake. So the more you stake, the higher chance you have to become a block validator is how I think it is going to work. So here you go. They explain that further. Someone who has deposited 64 ETH will have double the voting weight, there you go, of somebody who's deposited the minimum staking amount. There you go. In order to become a block validator, okay, so Casper is all about Ethereum 2.0. This is huge. This is big. Appreciate you mentioning this, Nutsacks. And we'll talk more about this over in our Discord too. So, guys, check into Casper if you like Ethereum, okay? Thanks again for the super chat. Nutsacks909, you're the man. Appreciate it, dude. So it is available on PancakeSwap, guys. Baby Doge, there you go. Okay? They've learned a lot of tricks from the meme father Dogecoin. There you go. So check it out. Baby Doge. Kim Kardashian coin, Emacs, yeah. I know. Kim K is all about Emacs now, right? Yep. We got some PayPal. What do we got here? Appreciate this, Bobby. Thanks, man. We want to make it as open as possible. We want to give choice to our consumers, something that will let them pay. And this is coming out of PayPal. They want to bring their crypto to us so they can use it in commerce. We want them to be able to take the crypto they acquire with us and take it to destination of their choice. Talking about PayPal's future of crypto. It's good that they're working on it, but you know, I just don't want to go in that direction yet. Interesting article though. Thank you for sharing. Amp and Shiba to the moon, Joel. Nice. What's up, man? Polydoge and SafeWolf. There you go, Jake G. There's a couple others for you guys to check out. Ethereum Max thoughts. I'm all in on Ethereum, my friend. Ethereum Max, Ethereum Classic, I would say are for the birds. But hey, you don't have to love everything, right? I don't love everything I talk about, but Yeah, I mean, here's the thing. There's some people who ran up with Ethereum Classic. You know, why it was running up last month, I don't know. But yeah. Any thoughts on Everipedia or Seller Network? No thoughts there, Jeremy. Sorry, guys, for getting a call. I just put it on mute real quick. Ever thoughts on Everipedia or Seller Network? Don't know much about it, Jeremy. I got to look more into it. But if you had some thoughts, wanted to share with us, we'd love to hear from you. Peace of mind. What's your thoughts about XRP on the coming month? If everything checks out with the SEC, I like XRP. Peace of mind. I'll be looking to get some. You know, I think a lot of people are looking at XRP right now saying, hey, this is on a discount here, below 70 cents. You know, if you believe everything's going to get checked out with the SEC lawsuit, this could be a nice time to hop into XRP. Mr. Junior's got some ADA this morning. Nice. Workzay, appreciate that. To simplify, Everipedia is a crypto Wikipedia. Okay, gotcha. That's cool. Favorite token, Ethereum. Invest if you know how Wikipedia worked out. There you go. So Workzay, somebody very in the know, very very knowledgeable. So he's dropping some golden nuggets there. Dropping some golden nuggets. Guys, we just hit 2 hours on the stream, but I'm feeling pretty good. We can go a little bit longer if you guys are cool with that. We can hang out for a little bit. Hopefully we get some more insight and information on here on eToro. That would be nice. Also, let's get the likes up. Can we get up to, I don't know, 425 in the next couple minutes? 425 likes, and we'll keep the stream going, man. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me on a Monday morning. This has been a ton of fun. Always a lot of fun, but as the thumbnail says, huge week for Shiba Inu. So many things to get to. I just didn't want to go in and produce a 12-minute video. I want to come out and hang out with you guys. I had some time this morning, so let's go. I feel like it's sickness. I can't stop buying more XRP. I hear you, Anthony. Yeah, you get your favorite tokens, man, and you get after it. So that's cool. That's cool. Buying ETH now is akin to buying Amazon when they were only sold books. Stone, I love that. I love that, man. Love that comment and couldn't agree more, dude. Couldn't agree more. I think Ethereum will be the internet of money. I do. Coinbase Pro, are they going to tell us anything? Are they going to tweet in the next day? They haven't tweeted for days. What's going on over there? What are they doing? 420 likes. Thank you, guys. Can you explain RuneCoin? I don't know about RuneCoin. Due to Crypto.com's 50K monthly limited cap, would you recommend transferring to CBP once we are all able? Edward, I hear you. Yeah, it's interesting because a lot of people have been asking that. Coinbase Pro, that wallet will be accepted. You got to do what's best for you, right? I know a lot of people are very into the external wallets and the ledgers, and other people just like to keep it in exchanges. But hey, you're right. You got a 50K monthly limit cap. So if and when, I shouldn't say if, when this thing takes off, you won't be able to take it all out at once. So something to keep in mind. But yes, you got to do what's best for you. You can always have some there and some off there too. You can have it. I like to have it in multiple places. I like to have my money in multiple areas. Crypto market very down today. Yes, market is down, but it's a great opportunity to go shopping. So we are not listed on eToro. So Julian, here's what we've got. They just added Algo. Is now the time to buy the dip. Bitcoin falls 15%. So they just added Algo, Matic, and BAT. But it says, don't worry, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. Wink. All right, so what that indicates to me is Shiba Inu is going to be included here. It's just a matter of when, okay? Buy Theta instead of Rune. Okay, Rune is in the NFT space then, I'm guessing. Theta is my favorite one in the NFT space. No question. No question. No doubt about it. Yes. What else we got? Just in, Shiba Coin India confirms it spent INR 2 million in cash to buy an additional Shiba Coin. Interesting. Thank you for sharing, Tori. Appreciate it. Just in, Shiba Coin India. There you go. Again, we'll take that with a grain of salt. We don't know how accurate this is, but interesting. Appreciate you sharing that with us. Hourly social volume increased by 411%. SHIB Association, nice. Very nice. Coinbase, do we have anything? Do we have anything from Coinbase? Let's check out the official Twitters here too. Certic, do we have anything from Certic? See if we got anything else from Certic. Not sure, Mr. Junior. That's a good question. Not sure. Kamran, love your channel and work. Where do you see ETH in the future? Price prediction. Appreciate the kind words, my friend. Thank you for listening in. Thanks for being a part of the community here. Guys, too, if you're not already subscribed, we'd love to have you join the community right here. Subscribe to the channel. Like up the stream. Love doing this. Love being a part of a really cool community. And also, if you want to join our private community, we've got that going on, too. Supporter level, insider level. All the details down in the description over there. So let me see here. Certic, anything new here? Why is X audit taking so long? Initially, oh, this is interesting. Okay, they're talking about why do audits take so long. I wonder if they're talking about SHIB. A lot of people are probably asking, what the heck's going on here? They do have the Ask Me Anything event, Certic, coming up on Tuesday. No time given yet on that, but we do believe it'll be an Ask Me Anything event about ShibaSwap and Shiba Inu. So that's all indications are that's what it'll be. Theta is dynamite. I agree. What's up, Van Winkle? How you doing, man? Is Algorand a good choice? I like Algorand, yeah. But okay, somebody asked me about Ethereum. I have Ethereum. I'm an Ethereum bull. I've got some videos on the channel. Go check them out about where I see Ethereum in 2025, 2030. I'm holding Ethereum for the long term. And when I mean long term, I mean 2030 and beyond. I think it's going to be that big in the future. I think we're going to see a, well, what did Stone say? Stone, what did you say about Ethereum? Put that in chat again if you could. It was perfect, because I forget how you worded it. It was perfect. 50K in 10 years. There you go. ETH is like land where the Trump Towers are built. We own the land. ETH. I mean, here's the thing. I liked your other analogy, too, about Amazon. Like when Amazon only sold books or whatever. I love that, man. It's perfect. You're starting to see the future of, I think, money on the internet. We start to see NFTs and how ETH is going to be used. And oh, man, I love it. And guys, Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based token. Keep that in mind. So that's pretty sweet. You can always save money to stablecoins like Tether if you're afraid of volatility. Correct. And you can always keep it in there, Perry, until you're ready to utilize it when something dips, right? Like today's a great day to buy the dips. If you had a bunch of money in your stablecoin right now, you could just transfer that over and you know start buying, right? So that's a good question, or a good comment rather. Like Everpedia as well. Austin, yeah, we did hear about that. Somebody else mentioned that. SHIB Network is showing operational on Coinbase Pro status page. Good sign. Very interesting. Nice bomb. Appreciate that. Good comment. That's good. Good morning. Not sure why I stuttered so much there. Good morning, and what's up, Zach? Shout out to Shiba Army, LFG Shiba. Nice. Oh, all right. What's up? What else do we get, guys? Okay. Just getting caught up here. Brixton Bank uses Algorand at London. Interesting. Tomorrow we'll have AMA. Yes. Ask Me Anything event on Certic. Yes. We don't know when, but it'll be tomorrow. Let's go to the official page here, see if we're missing anything. Joshua, just logging on. This is the real big news. We're talking about all the potential catalysts, though. Anybody else just logging on, just checking in? eToro just added Algorand, Matic, and BAT about an hour ago. But it says, don't worry, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. We do believe eToro is going to add Shiba Inu as well as some other assets. So that's the big news. Coinbase Pro stuff still lingering. We're still waiting to hear. Time frame also on the Certic Ask Me Anything event. And ShibaSwap, man. So that's kind of all the goings on. I think it's going to be a huge week here for Shiba Inu. Regardless if we get breaking news each and every day, I think if it's a really quiet week, I think it's like, hey, what the heck's going on here, right? Josh Story, the flippening, yes, created a whole video on the flippening. I think it'll happen. I do think it happens, my friend. Prediction on Matic end of the year. Young money making, that's a good question. I think if we get everything back up and running, if the entire market comes back to a bull run, which we do think it'll happen at least late fall, if we get back up in there, I think we could set all-time highs on Matic. I think we can get up to like $2.50. What else do we got? Young money making. Okay, gotcha. Alessandro, Italy, what's up? Italy in the house. Anthony, did you see story? I tagged you in on Twitter. Maybe a way to get a nice haul of BTC cheap. Anthony, where is that? I didn't see that, my friend. Tag me again. Matic is up 1,600%. Don't expect much more. Yeah, that's a good point, Stone. I think we can get back up to where we were in that previous real bull run, too. But you're right. I mean, it's up a lot. Yes, I do think Ethereum is a good buy right now. Yes, anytime it's this low, especially under 2K, love it. Yes. Thoughts on Leash and price prediction? I like Leash. Obviously, it's part of the ecosystem here. However, I have not purchased any or bought into Leash just yet. I'm waiting to see how the entire ShibaSwap is going to work, how the entire ecosystem is going to work, and see just how important it is. I know, based on the information we have, we could tell that it's going to be an important part of the ecosystem, but I just want to see it in action first, before I buy in. Thoughts on ADA and prediction? I think we can get up to over $5 this year. Gary. eToro new listing Algorand, Matic only, and then BAT token. Right now, that's the only ones they're listing, but look, don't worry, we hear you loud and clear, there's more crypto to come. So they're going to be adding more than Algorand, Matic, and BAT, okay? So that's what we've got right now. So be positive. That's an interest. That's ironic. Be positive says totally false, 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 false. It can't go moon. Sell, sell, sell. Shiba Inu. You see? Does anybody else see the irony in there? Be positive, man. Be positive. XLM Stellar Lumens. I like it, Mark. How solid do you see Shiba comparing with other cheap coins? Very solid. Thoughts on Anchor? I like it. Not invested in it, but I've always looked at it. Zach, please look into the BTC down and BTC up trades on Binance. Let's take a look at that. Can we just Google that, Stone? I'm not on Binance. BTC down and BTC up. Appreciate that, Stone. Beginner's guide to Binance leverage tokens. Okay. Okay, Binance leverage tokens. So appreciate this, Stone. Each BLVT represents a basket of open positions on a perpetual futures market. Oh, just from a side note, guys. I've been, listening to some other YouTubers and reading some other material. If we get an ETF, in the crypto space, that would be huge. That's been kind of rumored for a while. An ETF is it just kind of remained. Yeah, this reminded me of it when I saw the word basket. An ETF is a basket of assets, right? So if we get an ETF in the crypto space, man, that would be huge. That would be huge. All right, so nonetheless, let's look up BTC up, BTC down. So the first available BLVTs, which are Binance leveraged tokens, are BTC up and BTC down. BTC up aims to generate leverage gains when the price of Bitcoin goes up, while BTC down aims to generate leverage gains when the price goes down. Okay, so short positions. These leverage gains amount to between 1.25x and 4x. Wow, that's interesting. We'll discuss why this is the case and how they target this leverage in the next chapter. Interesting. Binance leverage tokens. Okay, range between. Okay, got it. It's not constant though, and it isn't publicly visible. Okay, main goal is to prevent front running. If these tokens, that's cool. If these tokens rebalance at predefined intervals, there could be ways for other traders to take advantage of this known event. Since the target leverage isn't constant, the tokens aren't forced to rebalance unless the market conditions deem it necessary. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty fair. Leverage tokens are traded on the Binance spot market. This is really cool. Stone, I appreciate you sharing me this. I'm going to have to look more deeper into this. I do not use Binance, but very, very interesting. And this just came out 3 weeks ago. Very cool. Very, very cool. Appreciate that, man. So, guys, check this out. Again, learning each and every day from people in our community. Stone just dropped this one in there. A beginner's guide to Binance leverage tokens. Very, very cool. So check out this article if you haven't already. This one too. This is coming from Nutsacks, one of our people in our Discord and Patreon as well. Ethereum Casper, all about Ethereum 2.0. Check this out. If you're an Ethereum bull, you're going to want to know about this. All right, Ethereum Casper explained. Check out this article. Just type in there. It's on the Academy's Binance website. Or you can come talk about it with us over on the Patreon. We're talking about it. We'll be talking about it over there. He listed it over there, and we'll be doing a deep dive, I'm sure, into a discussion about it. So benefits here, buy and sell trade alerts with the insider access. Come join us over there. We'd love to have you. All right. But yeah, this is the big news, guys. If you're just checking in, eToro just adding Algo, Matic, and BAT, but don't worry. We hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. Check your Twitter. Anthony gotcha. Nice haul of BTC. Gotcha. The description of cryptocurrency lots being sold explains that when a bidder wins. Appreciate this, man. Appreciate you sharing this. Also, I want to follow Bitcoin news here. Thank you. ETH, Dutch. If I had to pick one of the two. Doge kiosk in Texas. Yes, Austin. Just created a video about it. It's on the channel. Go check it out. Okay, U.S. government selling Bitcoin and Litecoin worth $377K via the general service. Okay, the auction closes at 5 p.m. on Monday with the possibility of an extended closing time. The government auction house is selling the digital assets in 11 lots. So far, the lots have seen active bidding. Okay. So from June 18th to June 21st, gotcha. The U.S. government estimates the value to be in the ballpark of $377K. Sorry, guys, just scanning here, reading. Experienced investors recognize a good opportunity when they see it, which is why our auctions have generated so much enthusiasm among the crypto community. Cool. The new type of digital asset, Litecoin, is prior auction only saw the sale of BTC. They got Litecoin and BTC. Cool. Thanks for sharing, Anthony. Appreciate that, man. U.S. government's auctioning off $377K worth of Bitcoin and Litecoin. Very cool. Shiba Inu coming in Coinbase. Yes, eventually. All right, let's X out of some of this stuff here so we can find what we're looking for. All right, let's get out of this Coinbase. Have we got any news on Coinbase yet? eToro. Let's go Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro. Pro the Doge. Coinbase Pro. Still nothing. Man, what do we got going on? Nutsax909, my man, what's up? Thanks for the super chat. Something to keep an eye on, the graph. Yes, one we've talked about before. Let's go take a look at the graph. Guys, we are closing in on 2.5 hours on the morning live stream. Can we get up to 500 likes by chance? If we get up to 500 chance, we might take it to hour number 3. We might take it to hour number 3 this morning. Might take it all the way up top to noon. This has been a lot of fun, though. Lots to talk about. Get the week started, so it's been cool. Trusted Shiba. Shiba Inu on Coinbase on April Fools near you. Okay, so this is the graph. Good one here that Nutsax brings up here. So it's an indexing protocol, okay? Querying data for networks like Ethereum, powering many applications in both DeFi and the broader Web3 ecosystem. It's working to bring reliable, decentralized public infrastructure to the mainstream market. GRT is a work token that is locked up by indexers, curators, and delegators in order to provide indexing and curating services to the network. So the graph, definitely one to watch. And this is the alt chart here too. Look, we've got some support here at this line, looks like. So it's been consolidating for a while. It might be a good time to bounce in. Right now, the graph's at 56 cents. So go check this one out, guys. Ranked 53 in market cap. So really good one. Appreciate Nutsax dropping this one in there. Jackson YT, man, dude, relax. GRT will have their best year yet, I'm assuming, Workday. I hear you, man. Possible, yeah. I think they're looking up. They're looking up. Man, during this last bull run and back in February, man, they were doing great, up over $2. No one loves Shiba. I beg to differ. Dead on entry. Muhammad won't ever hit 0.5. Math don't support it. Okay. The math currently right now is all we have, though, but math can change. Math can change based on tokens being burned, right? And ecosystem changes. We don't know what's down the line. We don't know what the developers are going to do. Dun, dun, dun. First safe scam now. Safe scam cash. Dear God, help them. Let's go check out the Shiba chart here. Okay, still up over 7. Barely over 7. Market cap at 2.8 billion right now. Okay. Baby Doge. What's up, Steve? How we doing? All right, nothing brewing there. Certic, do we get anything from Certic yet? Any new insight here? Well, yeah, the market cap would need to surpass the entire crypto market. Yeah, but that's the entire crypto market right now. What if the entire crypto market grows with it? So you're kind of comparing apples and oranges here. You're saying, oh, if none of the market grows, but only Shiba Inu grows, it's impossible. Well, what if the entire market grew with it? Right? So that's kind of where it's different. Price prediction on VeChain XRP 2023. Good questions. I don't know. It's tough to, obviously, I don't have a crystal ball here, but VeChain, I did create a video on VeChain where I think VeChain can go by 2030. So go check that out on the channel. But I like VeChain a lot. I don't want to give a prediction for 2023 because that's just, to me, that's silly. Like, I don't know. But I'm holding it past that. So I love the idea. I love that they're in supply chain management. I like that they've got a lot of different ideas of how they're going to impact supply chains in various industries. And I don't think they have a lot of competition right now. And I think they're solving real world problems. So I like it. Pears and peaches. Yeah, there you go. Fly tie. Oh, mind blown. What's up, Shib to Avatar? I'm doing good, Steve. Guys, realize 75% of these tokens won't be here next year. Wake up. It's a good point, Stone. It's a good point. How many tokens are there? 10,540. They're not all going to last here. Okay, that's why we're talking about Shiba Inu, because it's ranked number 31 in market cap. That's why I like to stay on that top first page. Ideally, I'd like to stay on the top 100 because, now we're talking about things that have staying power. To Stone's point, we're talking about coins that have staying power, long-term longevity, right? That's what I'm looking at, right? So, what's got some long-term longevity? I don't know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, right? The big players. XRP pending on the suit. Yeah, exactly. My email address, I don't really like to give that out. Just tweet me, man. Just tweet me at Z_Humphries. I don't like to give out my Snapchat either. I'm really not on those Snapchat very much either, though. I like Twitter, though. You could follow me here. Workzay says top 70 for me. I hear you. Top 70 would barely include Mana, right? I think right now. Barely include Decentraland. Oh, okay. You weren't asking me? Okay, good. What about Luna, Theta in the long term? I like Luna and Theta. I like Theta more right now, Young Money. But I like them both. I like Luna too. We've looked at Terra Luna too. XRP minimum $5. XRP max 2023 50, I think. There you go. Got 10,000 mana. Nice, bro. I like it. I like it, Workzay. How low did you get it? If you don't mind me asking. Oh, 1,000, man. I got you. I was going to say 10,000. You're going heavy in it, man. That's cool. I wasn't hating on it. You were just going in on Mana. That's cool. How's Mana doing, Zach? Let's go down, yeah. We were down a little bit, dude. We were low, below 60 cents. I mean, everything's crashing. But I might add more. I got it at 65 cents. Let's see where we're at. We're at 53 cents right now. 74 in market cap. Engine coin, too, way down, too. But, yeah, here's Mana. I got in at 65, so I'm in the red right now. But I don't care. I'm holding long term, man. Shoot. And I can definitely add more to this position, lower that average cost, right? Pretty soon. I might do that soon here on Decentraland. Pull that ShibaSwap chart I tweeted you to the other day. Tori, when was that? Tori, you send me so many tweets, I can't keep track. No, it's awesome though. I appreciate you doing that. Tori, if you send it to me again, I'll try to pull it up on stream for us. What else do we got? 60. Oh, Workday, you got it at 60? Gotcha. I'm going broke on Mana. Dude, I love it, man. I don't know. I just love the idea. I think it's going to take off. BRB buying now. Gotcha. 53 cents right now. Yeah, it's down there, man. Basic attention token. Here's the BAT token. That's the one that's just getting added to eToro. Twitter username. I'll put it right here. There's Twitter username. Oh, and follow me on the old TikTok. What is it? ZJ Hump. Follow me there too. Let's see, guys. What else do we got cooking? All right, guys, we're over 2.5 hours. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I think we're going to get out of here. We need 5 more likes for 500. If we can get to 500 likes, that would be super dope. So help us push over to 500 likes and beyond it. Thanks, everyone, for hanging out here on a Monday morning. Market's down, but we're thinking long term. Not too much of a concern for us, right? And we'll continue to watch things here. I'll probably be on here for another 5-10 minutes or so. We're going to slowly wind it down. We'll watch the SHIB price here as you guys exit. Like, subscribe. Thank you so much. We'd love to have you join the community. Also, come on over to the Patreon page if this is something that interests you. You could be a supporter or an insider. $10 per month, $20 per month. You're going to get all the Discord access with both of these. The insider access gets you buy and sell trade alerts, and eventually we're going to build a portfolio together. Okay, so if that's something that interests you, come on over there. Link is down in the description. We'd love to have you over there as well. And thank you for all the support on the channel, guys. Over the past 5-6 weeks or so, I really want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by the live streams, watching the videos. It's been a ton of fun. And we'll continue to do this, continue to grow our portfolios together. So thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. SHIB's going to go up after this stream. Well, hopefully, man. Hopefully, Zay. Right now, just a little bit of consolidating here. But it's on the heels of a lot of big news, guys. We're waiting on Coinbase Pro. We're waiting on Coinbase, right? We're waiting on eToro. Waiting on Certic and ShibaSwap. And popular press articles continue to help us out. Voyager just adding it. A lot of great things going on, okay? So a lot of good things happening in the works, and we love it. So, Damon, thank you. Stefano, thank you. Pat Winter, thank you. Gary, guys, if you're just popping in, we're about to get out of here. We were here for over 2.5 hours this morning, so go back, watch the live stream if you missed anything. We covered everything. Covered just about everything we could this morning on what's going on, so appreciate each and every one of you. Carrie, eToro did not add SHIB, but they look like they're going to soon. They did add Matic this morning. That's official. One of the ones we like. No, there is not an exact date for ShibaSwap. I wish we had one. I wish we had an exact date for ShibaSwap. That would be nice. I did say Damon. What's up, Damon? Yes. So Adrian would like your input. Got you, Carrie, right on. So, Jacob, what's up? Damn, sorry I missed the show. Catch you next time, brother. No problem, Jacob. You can also go back and rewatch this, too. It's still pretty relevant. We're talking about all the things we're pumped about for the entire week. So you can go back and rewatch if you want to. All right. Had a blast, guys. That was fun. That was a ton of fun. Thanks so much for all the likes. New subscribers, welcome to the community. Anthony Ramirez, no problem. Late a little bit. That's okay. Go back and rewatch it. We're going to get out of here in just a few. Just winding down here, saying goodbye to everybody. SHIB zero's gone. Let's get rid of some of them zeros. Exactly. Let's get rid of some of them zeros. You could stake your SHIB on crypto while we wait for ShibaSwap, guys. There you go. WorkZay dropping some knowledge. Thank you for the kind words, Adrian. Maimuna. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you. Ethereum super price. Yes. Very good price. Luis, thank you. Luis is one of our Discord Patreon members. Appreciate everyone here. Appreciate you, Stone. See you, Eamon. Appreciate you guys. Thank you, guys. Yes, we'll do. We'll do, Luis. Thank you, guys. Thanks for the content. Yeah, no problem, Anthony. No problem, man. It's really possible, yes. All right, y'all. Thanks so much. I'm going to say a couple thanks in the chat to everybody. Thank you so much. Appreciate all of you. Like and subscribe. Just tuned in. Update. Will give you a quick update. eToro is set to be adding some new assets. Looks like SHIB will be one of those. We don't know when. Certic Ask Me Anything event is coming up soon. ShibaSwap, very imminent. Coinbase Pro. We covered everything, man. Go back and watch the rewatch. Setting up for a huge week here for Shiba Inu. So go back and watch the rewatch if you're interested in checking all that out. And love to have you guys join us, join the community if you're new here, guys, and you're watching for the first time. Hopefully you enjoyed. Yes, yes. Cheers, man. Cheers, brother. Everything's down, Bassam. Everything's down, man. It's just normal. When the entire market's down, SHIB will be down. Other assets will be down too. All right. Much love, Stone. That's it, man. Bassam, just try to learn and understand. That's all you can do, man. That's all I'm trying to do too, man. Just trying to learn, get better each and every day, and grow our portfolios together, man. That's what we're trying to do. There you go, Adrian. Market's on sale, not down. Right, that's the way I like to look at it too, man. Yeah. Thank you, Moni. Is there a limit to cashing out Shiba? It depends on the exchange, Dennis. Yeah, it depends on the exchange. All right, guys. I'm going to head out of here. Just a few. See y'all. It was a ton of fun. I like this. Anytime in the mornings when I'm free and I'm able to do this, at least over the next couple months, I'm going to try to do these on Monday mornings. I think that's cool. Nutsacks, thanks for the super chat, man. Thank you. Everyone remember, when you see red, all it means there's great sales. Exactly, brother. You see red when it's blustered with, is that a word? Blustered? When it's blistered or blustered with red, it means it's time to buy. Go shopping. WorkZay, dab on them. Anthony, peace. Thanks, guys. You guys are awesome. Peace out.